special, what's behind your back? Yeah. So turn around and now pick up the slack. Yeah. Take it to the edge. Dirty babe, you see these shackles, baby, I'm your slave. I'll let you whip me if I misbehave. It's just that no one makes me feel this way. Come here, girl. Go ahead, be gone with it. Come to the back. Go ahead, be gone with it. VIP. Go ahead, be gone with it. Drinks on me. Go ahead, be gone with it. Work you with. Go ahead, be gone with it. Look at those hips. Go ahead, be gone with it. Go ahead, be gone with it. Go ahead, child. Go ahead, be gone with it. Is it sexy? Go ahead, be gone with it. Is it sexy? Go ahead, be gone with it. Is it sexy? Go ahead, be gone with it. Is it sexy? Go ahead, be gone with it. Is it sexy? Go ahead, be gone with it. Is it sexy? Go ahead, be gone with it. Is it sexy? Go ahead, be gone with it. Is it sexy? I'm bringing sexy back. Them motherfuckers don't know how to act. Come let me make up for the things you lack. 'Cause you're burning up, I gotta get it fast. Dirty babe, you see these shackles, baby, I'm your slave. If I misbehave, it's just that no one makes me feel this way.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, baby, we're getting popping early, all right? What is good, TT Life? Guys, this market, baby, all right? We're getting into it. We're starting the day off pretty good, up 772 on the prop. No trades for the personal. So, woo! You already know, baby. We're coming in with the energy. We're coming in, punching it in, baby. What is up, Forbes, TT Life? Anyone over on YouTube.com as well. Hope you guys are loving this Friday. Hope you guys are all printing, profiting if you've been trading. You already know, baby. So, guys, here's my thought process for today. We're kicking it off early. We're kicking it off early, guys. Why these thought process for today? I want you guys to take your good old hand, right? I want you guys to sit on it if you're a little red right now and take a breather. All right, if you're green, I want you guys to also sit on your hands a little bit, let this market play out. Let's have a little conversation, get into the flow of things, all right? So it's not even 10 a.m. yet. Decided to hop on a little bit early for you guys, so, you know, you guys get to see this pretty face early. No, I'm kidding. I also just wanted to start it early so I can't make any more trades, as I've made 2 so far today. As you see, I made one long. This is on the hourly. That's why that looks like that. I made one long here. Think, as you can see, buy 2, sell 2, buy 2, buy 2, sell 4, short 2, but sell 1, buy 2. So that's the trades on the day, ladies and gentlemen. And we are chilling. So up on the week, 32 hundo on the prop account. So cannot complain, all right? Cannot complain. And here it goes, NQ off of that. Whoa, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa, anyone want to describe what just happened? What is going on with NQ, guys? Yo, ladies and gentlemen, I might have to ride momentum here.
Order filled.
Depends on what happens right here, I feel as if on the, oh, it's breaking. It's breaking on the S&P, guys. 2 contracts, just waiting to see. I'm just riding momentum, ladies and gentlemen. Like, whoa, what just happened, guys? I'm just going to wait and watch on it right now, guys. If it's going to hold up, we're good to go. As long as the rest of these hold up, I mean, we'll see. Only at 26, 40s right there. I'm filled at 35. Oh, excuse the throat, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, starting to push back up a little bit here. I'm just waiting and watching, guys. Nah, it might not come back up here. I don't think we're gonna get that pop back up. Looks like it was a random pop.
One of the most talented and successful artists of his generation.
Maybe I lied. We're gonna see. We got 35 coming in. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys are printing, killing today. If you guys have traded so far, yeah, kind of getting that fade back off. We're right in the middle of it. like holding out's a little risky, but at the same time, 550, yeah.
Order filled.
I'm gonna cut it. Only because I'm not gonna give up the gains on the day, but I don't care about the profit, baby. We can make it all back. All right, I'll take risk. I'll take risk on the prop with you guys. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, you gotta be careful. You gotta be cautious. Not sure what that spike was on, but let's check out the economic data for the day, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, economic data for the day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, okay. Thursday, word. Friday, boom, baby. 8:30 a.m. Personal income, personal spending, PCE index, core PCE index, PCE year over year, core PCE, advanced U.S. trade balancing good, advanced retail investors, advanced wholesale investors. Woo! All right. Now we got 9:45 a.m. Chicago business barometer, and then 10 a.m. consumer sentiment. Okay, all right. 8:30 a.m. was packed, guys. As you can see, at the time of 8:30 a.m., a lot went down. Right, a little bit of momentum both ways. Got a little crazy. Stream good, we're good. We're back up, we're live. All right, word. Just had to make sure. Yeah, bro. So like that's my main thing, guys. That's crazy. That's a lot of info in one day. But yeah, like I said, guys, it took a little bit of a trade there just to kind of scalp the area, just to see what was going on. If it didn't work out, I'm fine with it. If it worked out, I'm also fine with it, guys. Listen, you guys have to be willing to risk those gains if you want to make more green, right? So that's where we're sitting at, baby. Still have 136 on the day. All right. Nah, guys, I want to end the day up 1K. Once I hit 1K, I'm done. I'm done trading it. All right, that's the new thing. Once I'm done, once I hit 1K, it's wraps, ladies and gentlemen. It's over. It's over. YB is done. And I think I'll say the same thing for like 300, 250, 200 on the personal. If I decide to trade it, I think I'm up like 800, 600, 700, something like that on the week on it. Which is alright. It's alright. I'll take it. I can't complain, guys. So hope you guys are killing today, man. Murdering the market. Putting in that work early, I see. What is up, Spy Prod, man? Hope you're killing it too, buddy. Let's check out your AAL trade, bro. 1289, you're still in the green. That's good to hear. Still in the green over on AAL. Love to hear it, buddy. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm chilling out right now, guys. I'm waiting on some more action, I guess. That pop gave me maybe a little bit of hype that we're going to continue to rip and run. I mean, we saw yesterday, guys. And this is the thing with yesterday. And this is the thing that kind of, gets some of you guys. And I don't want you to think too heavily on it. Oh, respected view up heavily. That's good. Anyways, look at that pump, ladies and gentlemen. From that bottoming tick of 25.50, we went all the way up to the 40, 30, 25, essentially. Guys, that's a whole $5 move, a $5.25 move, ladies and gentlemen. And it wasn't even for the entire day. That was in the matter of like 2 hours. So that's how crazy this market can be in these given times. That gives me a little hope that we're gonna have some momentum on the day and not just continue this little downtrend. Right, guys? Holy shit, I could have DCA'd, man. I could have been DCA City. I guess it's a bad practice to have, but DCA City, baby. No, I'm kidding, guys. I hope you guys are really crushing it, though. Who here is green on the week? Who here is green on the month? Who here knows that it's the last trading day of September and they're green on the month, guys? Last trading day of September, baby. We got a fun Money Monday stream, and today, yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am going over, before I hop off today, think here it is. I am going over. Ready? 3, 2, whenever it loads up. Boom, baby. Not long. It'll take maybe about 10 minutes if you guys want to hang around for it. It'll be about 12 o'clock. It'll be how to do the math on an FHA loan. I know FHA loans only go up to 4 units, but I just did the math up to a 10 unit on $1 million house. You know what I mean? Just in case you guys want to do the math, because you ever get bored and you just want to sometimes you just want to start doing the math just in case you see a property you like. And you guys can do the math on 20% as well. It equivalent to everywhere. So 20% down on 7% interest rate. What would that be? Everything when it comes down to it on like a $250,000 property, etc., etc. So gonna go over all that. It's like, whoa, taking math advice from YB. I don't know about this one. It's like, all right, guys. Guys got some funny jokes, huh? But I swear, right. I know how to do that math. Guys, I see this coming back up and starting to pop, rip, and run. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very tempted as we start to break this. We have yet to hold above the 50-day and view up all day since that time we cracked it, guys. Is this going to change anything? Is this going to change the game? The overall market's already pushing up. So, starting to get that pop, ripperoo. Starting to get it, guys. Guys, I think I'm going to test the waters with it. Ladies and gentlemen. Just see here, if S&P wants to continue its rip and tear the top side, I think we're going to come back up to the high 431.75s and kill it. If not, yep, we're going to get that downtrend. It's going to come right back down, and I'll have a stop somewhere placed around here. Yup, if we can't hold above, guys, there's no point in holding it. Has to be able to hold above here, ladies and gentlemen. Has to be able to hold above that 15 view up. It's looking good right now. Starting to look good. Starting to look better. I need to hold above and start to spike, rip, and rally on me, ladies and gentlemen. Alright? So that's the game plan. So it's like, and the reason why the S&P, YB, doesn't the overall market, your chart on the bottom right, more or less make up NQ. Well, you are correct. You're right. S&P only makes up around 5% of it. But what makes up the S&P are a lot of these tickers as well. Right? So it's like back to back. You gotta, you gotta play the part. Alright? And we also, I'm not going against momentum here right now. I'm going with momentum to the top side. So you guys get it. Alright? Woo! What's up, Dark Trader? Bro, you on early today or you just signed on? I'm on a little bit early today. I hopped on, I think, around 45. What time is it? 9:56. I'm waiting for that consumer sentiment. I hope that pumps the market here, which will pump NQ above 15.040. Let me check ES book map here. All right, my book map decides. My book map does this. There we go, guys. So we had critical resistance at 3.4. Where we're sitting right now, guys, there's a lot of resistance, and we're starting to break through it, guys, and we're starting to pump. Yeah, buddy. Don't try to say ES has had some nice movement today, some chop and whatnot, but it's been moving. It has, and that's really what I'm looking at. They are doing good, I will say, guys. So overall market just broke through this. You see that hard red line right there, guys? That hard red line was the old resistance. So yeah, buddy. You guys are all chilling, man. Hopefully you guys are in with me. You guys are green right now. Make sure to take your profit where you want it, guys. This higher low pattern is looking good for a clean break to the top side, above 15.040 if it's gonna happen. Look at ES, man. ES is on a mission of vengeance to the top side, man. I want NQ to hold its gains as well, guys. Woo! So hope you guys are killing it, though. Hope you guys are loving the market right now, man. Hopefully you guys are green. If you guys are green and you're not sure about any more trades on the day, dude, don't be afraid to walk, man. What time is it? 9:58. We got 2 minutes, guys, until consumer sentiment comes out. 2 minutes till consumer sentiment comes out, guys. Let me go here. Market watch. YB, what are you talking about, buddy? Hey, what are you talking about? There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, go down here. Bing, consumer sentiment final. Our final news on the week and our final consumer sentiment here. Woo! So we're waiting and watching, baby. Overall market getting that pop, guys. I want to see this thing continue to spike, rip, and run, ladies and gentlemen. Gonna have that pulled up for you guys there, so you guys know exactly what we're at. If the if the overall NQ, what I like to describe it as, decides to spike above its little, what seems to be a double top here of 130, what is that, 1138? I'd say around, right around 1138. I'd say we continue to go. I say the same for the S&P if it wants to continue to pop here, guys. I think I might hold it into consumer sentiment if we continue to get these spikes. Yeah, buddy. So, guys, hope you guys are chilling out, man. Hope you guys are chilling, vibing, having a great one. Oh, yeah, buddy. There we go. So, I want to see it continue to spike, rip, and run here, man. We got 1 minute till that consumer sentiment comes out. I want to see it, hold up here. For the next 30 seconds, hold up here. And see, see it spike, rip, and run some more. NQ looks good. So does S&P here if it wants to spike. I'm really just waiting on that news, that 10 a.m. news, guys. Hey, what's up, Mike Trader? Hope you're killing it too, man. ES going to 43.74. 43.74. Oh, yeah, buddy. By the end of the day, I could see it. S&P resistance at 432.67. 432.67. Okay. All right. There it goes, guys. Here it goes. Consumer sentiment came out. Let's see it, baby. Let's see if we get that spikaroo that I'm looking for, guys. Just waiting on it. Want to see it push those highs? It is pushing the highs there. It went up to 45 there. There we go. S&P starting to spike, guys. S&P getting the rip and run, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, there's your spikaroo, baby. So I want to see these hold up and go for one more push. Okay? Holding up.
Order filled.
I'm going to take it, guys. 450. Why am I taking it? I just don't have that faith that it's going to be able to break this trend line right now, guys. Consumer sentiment did cause that little bit of a pop there. Will it hold it up? Woo! Oh, well, guys, who told YB to take it? All right. Every time. So there it goes. 432.67. There it goes, guys. Breaking its trend line to the top side. Oh, baby. Today's going to be a wicked one, man. I'm calling it. Today's going to be a wicked one. Little spike to a dump on some news. Yeah, buddy. I can see it coming in. I don't think it's going to be able to hold above this. And if it does, it's going to start to really rally. But once again, okay, that news just happened, but look at the overall market, man. It didn't even move. And it's like, well, YB, that's not a singular ticker. It's like, well, I get that, but at the same time, the S&P is made up of the top 500 companies in the world, meaning that these being in the top 500 companies of the world, all of them should technically have moved a little bit, right? Like, realistically, if we're all in the same spectrum. So I cut it out. Not gonna, I expected a way larger move. I kind of did too, I'm not gonna lie. I expected like a pump beyond 15.050, But it's okay. I took my green, I got out. I can't complain. I can't complain with it, right? So it is what it is. Yeah, because for some reason, I mean, consumer sentiment, I mean, how big is that? It's bigger. I think, it came out, but it came out as expected, it seems to be, right? Medium forecast was 67.7. Did it come out as expected? Here, let's look into this, guys. Let me look into this just to see here. There's another pop, though, getting up there. NQ. Consumer said. Let's see this here, guys. What day is it? The 29th? Well, that doesn't help nothing. September 30th, 2023, 67.70. So I think it came out as expected, guys. It came out as expected. Consumer sentiment. So that's exactly why we got that little bit of a pop. People were like, yes, we're good. That's it. They weren't like, whoa, buddy. Let's calm down, dump some market. Or that is even better than we thought. And then bada bing, bada boom, you get yourself a little nice and good old pop-a-rooney. Yeah, look at it. It's just respecting that. But that's good, though. Guys, honestly, the more resistance we have, the better it is. YB, that doesn't make any sense. Because that's more... the second it breaks, you're going to have more traders buying in, right? What moves the market? Money. It's like, okay. Okay, sure. What moves the market? Money. Traders. People trading it. If everyone sees this resistance line here, right? Maybe not everyone saw it on these two touches, right? Now people will start to see it on the third. Now people will start to see it on the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, and by that time, it's gonna rip. Because everyone will be like, okay, get long, right? Because right now, everyone's saying go short at this trend line, go short at this trend line, and eventually it'll flip the script and bink, right? So, my little thesis. So, guys, hopefully, anyone have anything like out of the ordinary planned for the weekend? Anyone have anything crazy planned for their weekend? Weekend vendettas? Anything? Anyone boating in September? Barbecuing? Getting it going? Let me know. I'm thinking about, more or less, I think I'm gonna be chilling out. I know I gotta go, I'm going Halloween costume shopping on Sunday. Guys, you guys aren't even ready, bro. I'm gonna pop out with the best fit you ever seen. Alright. Me and Caesar, he wants to go like head-to-head Monday for our Money Monday stream. So I think that'll be pretty fun as well, going head-to-head with Caesar. So guys, don't tell him. My game plan is I'm just going to full port both sides, right, on 2 different prop firms. Pass one of them, fail the other one, but the other one I'm just going to let run all day long, making about 15,000. Good luck keeping up with that one, buddy. What I meant to say is that it's going to be a really funny time, and it's going to get really crazy up in there, bro. I'm going balls to the walls, baby. And yeah, guys, it's going to be fun. Me who gets 27 contracts to the long side on a candle like this, makes like 30K, and it's done. Done on it. Goes full port, 2 different counts. Give me 1 second, guys. Woo! Chilling out, baby. So you guys, yup. We are more or less waiting and watching, seeing what the market's going to do, guys. So, once again, if you guys are new to TradeCash, you guys are new to trading in general, I'll make a quick diagram of what Fridays usually look like, and some of you guys can appease it and you know, agree. So, we're going to, okay, here's your chart, right? So, we start the day off. Let's say we open up here. All right, we get a nice spike. We come down, right? We get a nice spike. We're having some movement. Okay, hey, we're pushing. All right, we're coming down. And then eventually, let's say right here is the time of, it is now 12 p.m. Alright, now it's 12 p.m. Alright, now, you know, the market's going a little bit red. Alright, we're flipping down. We're starting to, you know, get that movement. A little bit of chop. Up, down. And then eventually, it'll just slow down. And eventually, by the time, you know, you'll get into that kind of choppy range. Right? And then it's just, and then let's say right here's 4 p.m. Think. Let me go here. Right here's 4 p.m. Guys, you see the momentum, right? Not only, okay, this is what happened, all right? So you had everyone come in here. You had everyone, let's say right here's the time at 10 a.m., right? Okay. I would say you have your first wave of traders locking out. Right here's 10 a.m. All right, your first wave of traders done right here, okay? A, your second wave of traders that are already taking their gains, locking it up, getting good. Okay, now they're done here. And then you have your third wave of traders, I'd say the ones that maybe were green and went to red or trying to end their week red, or maybe, trying to end their week green or whatnot. Then they'll start ending around 1 p.m., around 2 p.m., around 3, and then 4. And you know what I mean? It just gets slower and slower. Less traders, and then bada bing, bada boom. You're stuck in shop, bro. I'll get it on the S&P, and it'll look like a barcode, bro. That's essentially what I'm trying to say. All right. So, guys, starting to like the market movement. I'm liking the movement here, guys. I don't trust it, though. I don't trust it on NQ. I'm not. YB, how don't you trust it? It has to break this 50-day. Then we have room to go down to the 200. Has to break this 50-day and view up here on the overall market. And then maybe I'll trust it down to the trend line. But I'm not going to give it that wiggle room that I'm looking at. Right? Like, I'm not looking for, you know, sky's the limits or you know, ground's the floor, baby. Rock bottom. I'm not looking for it to go down to 428, 427 and me be in. I would love that if I'm in on puts. Amazing. But you guys know my paper hands, man. Here we go. Now we're speaking my language. Hopefully you're talking about this market right now, man. Hopefully we get some movement. We need some action on it. Alright? I want to see the overall market below the view up and 50-day. And I'll feel a little bit more comfortable, guys. A lot of it more comfortable. Right? That's really it. Yeah, guys. So it's really, you know, it's sometimes hard to dictate what your strategies are when there's shop. Like this right here, I know a lot of you traders haven't even... Has anyone in... Let's do this instead of me saying I know. Has anyone in here today not taken a trade at all? Have any of you guys been sitting on your hands? Because you usually trade these blue chips, but it's not a lot of price action. There's not a lot of movement. Nothing's really going crazy. So you guys are sitting on your hands, right? It's like, I'm just going to wait. And, you know, I'm just going to wait. I'm going to wait for a clean move. I have not traded any. Forbes, yup. Forbes hasn't traded anything. I know there's probably some YouTube traders over there that are also haven't traded anything as well. So any of you guys over there as well. Yeah, I mean, and it's just that. If you look at the market, you see this. You see we're in a range between 431.75 and what seems to be 430.50, right? And it's like, why would I trade that? I don't have to. It's like I'm actually green on the month. Forbes is over here saying I've actually I've banked like $1,000 every day for the last like 30 days. I think I'm okay. I think I'm okay. Are we all okay? We're all good? All right, word. Guys, I'm going to the beach. Nothing I've been super confident about. Not going to trade just to trade. Yeah, exactly, man. Why just throw? I might as well go hit the casino, right? Trade Cash's first gambling session, okay? Right? It's like, yeah, bro. No, I personally, like, there's some things that I've seen that are good, and luckily, you know, I'm up 450, I'm chilling with it, and if that's going to be the gain of the day, that'll be the gain of the day, man. Right? If it becomes, my theory right here, guys, what am I looking at? YB, if you do take another trade, what would it be? It would have to be either above this trend line here on the S&P, and NQ would have to continue to spike up with the overall market breaking above its top resistance here. You guys see that little shelf, that little wall, right? So if that doesn't happen, though, and we're coming down, YB, what's your thoughts? Below the 200-day on the S&P, below the 50-day on NQ, below the 50 and the 200, but I'm still not that certain then. Just because we have this auto trend line right here, and we have this 200-day, and if the momentum's not strong enough, guys, you're not going to be able to break these points. At every low, buyers are going to come in and take it away. At every high, sellers are going to come in and take it away. Because there's not enough momentum, right? Like, who wants it more? Well, down here, buyers do. Up here, sellers do. So, you're going to need that overall momentum. It's like a penny stock. Guys, anyone see IMVT today? Anyone see that? I loaded up my chart, and it was already loaded up. I don't know what happened, man. The volume was just pitiful, almost. I don't even know how to describe it. Look at that. I seen that and said, I mean, like, people that are in IMVT for the long run, man, that is pretty ugly. I think this stock is pretty much a dead stock, ladies and gentlemen. I wouldn't touch IMVT. Let's take a look at SLNO. SLNO, this stock is a stock that gapped up over 500% a Mundo, and we got nothing. We got a little bit of a downtrend for you shorters. Nothing too crazy. What's another one that was a good one? I had one loaded up earlier. GPCR. Went up to $81 off of $38, guys, today, and now sitting around the $50 mark. So I don't think the penny stocks are providing a good move right now. But do what you guys got to do. Do what you guys got to do. All right, I think I'm gonna grab myself a fat cigar after this one. Alright, any of you guys smoke cigars? Name your favorite brand. Me personally, some may hate it, some don't like favor and use brands, but I got two, okay? I got two favorites. Acid, and you guys might be like, what are you saying, bro? Oh, let me pull it up. No, and only certain ones too. Just a flavor, bro. Just that flavor. Oh, I just looked up the word. Oh, okay. And I think that's probably my main one. Oh, also, I had these cherry blossom things, bro. Magnificent. Couldn't get enough of them. Oh, damn, bro. No, okay. Here, stop looking at cigars. Let's spark one up right now. What time is it? 10:13. Nice little reversal there on the S&P. Yeah, buddy. Woo. So, guys, here we go. Now we're picking up some volume here. I'm not quite sure what just went down, but we're picking up the volume now, guys. Need to see it break the 50-day. Need to see it hold underneath the 200, guys. If we break this 50-day, we break this 50 and view up. And view up here. I'm gonna be confident. in it. I'm gonna feel good. I'm gonna feel great, like a box of, like some Frosted Flakes, man. All right, guys. So, they're great. All right, so you guys, chilling, waiting and watching, guys. I almost want to see it come down to that low day, just so I know it's not going to double bottom, but I just feel as if it just doesn't have, there it goes, it doesn't have enough momentum, guys, to really start to break. It is a Friday. There's no reason to force anything, guys. If you guys are, trading, chilling out, No reason to force anything, but I 100% do recommend, guys. You know, lock up those gains if you have. Lock up those gains. Don't force it, baby. Woo. All right, guys. Chilling out, waiting and watching on this market, baby. Anyone done on the day already? Anyone taking their gains and just walking? They're fine with where they're at. They're like, I'm good, man. It's okay. Like, I'm chilling out. I'm not gonna force anything. Or are you guys all like, nah, man, I'm here to make bank. I didn't come here to not trade. All right. I didn't come here to not trade stocks on Friday. Anyone over on YouTube feeling the same way? All of you YouTube fellas over there, getting it going. Glad to have you guys here as well. Make sure to join TradeCaster. 25% off right now, ladies and gentlemen. Surely we're live. Oh, okay. All right, hearing myself, my beautiful voice. There we go. So we are chilling, guys. Yep, 25% off, baby. Gotta love it. Gotta love it, guys. You can't get much better than it. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Boom, baby. All right. So yeah, I'm not seeing too much, guys. I'm seeing another bounce here on the S&P. Where do I think it's gonna go? I think it might respect the trend line again. That's the highest point I see it's gonna go. If it's gonna come down, it's really gonna come down, and we're gonna have to break the 430.50 areas. You know, Nvidia. You know, the overall market chart. We gotta make a name for this chart, guys. I don't like calling it the overall market, because that would technically be the S&P. What would that be? What can we call that? NQ. No, well, that's just NQ. Top 5 tickers that make up NQ. No, it's too long. I'll think of something. For now, we're just going to call it the overall NQ. Overall NQ, there you go. The overall NQ chart needs to come down below the 50-day and the view up. You know, we're not having no gym day around here, baby. All right? Excuse me, Bob day. Not having no Bob day around here. Wait, gym day. Not having no gym day around here. There we go. I forgot my terminology. Alright, guys, so chilling out. I need to see that momentum come in. 1 minute bear flag on NQ and ES. There you go. There we go. Yeah, I don't know why I have QQQ loaded up there. QQQ's not bad. Basically the same as, in my head, it is the same as the NQ. So obviously, but NQ's just, you know, like the older brother and or, you know, larger play, whatever you want to refer it as. Guys, I would not jump in right now until this breaks. I know it's coming down. I know it's tempting, guys. I know it's so tempting. Oh, NQ's coming down. Guys, if the overall market right here bounces, goes right back up to the highs here, look at what's going to happen to NQ. Look at that. You guys see what I'm saying? So it has to get that dump. It has to get that sell-off. I would not touch it yet. If you guys are in short, all right. Just know that this thing, no, you can't be mad if it reverses, is what I'm trying to say. You cannot be mad if this thing reverses on you and decides to, you know, spike to the top side. You can't be mad. You got to know what your loss would be on that. But if it dumps on you, man, let me know so I can give you a round of applause. Get some champagne popping, baby. All right. So there you guys go. Yeah, buddy. Starting to get that little red move. I need this overall market, overall NQ to come down, ladies and gentlemen. I want to see that come down so bad. It's just sitting there, bro. Like a dead stock. Like it has no volume on it. Like these 5 plays combined have 0 volume. Okay, quite literally does look like it has no volume though. That is crazy. Is nobody trading the individual stocks right now? No, they are. Just looked like it's dead. The volume's dead on it, bro. Alright, starting to come down a little bit more. Guys, I'm just not comfortable with it. Me, myself, I won't be taking it until I see these cracks, guys. Starting to come down a little bit more here. This is on the prop account. I might take 1 to the downside just to touch it. You know what I mean? Just to get in on it, if anything. But it has to crack and break and hold below. It looks good if it can hold below this 50-day, but you got to be smart, baby. Think smarter, not harder, guys. ES touching its view up. See what I'm saying? We're too near support. If you guys want to go long, I wouldn't even be opposed to it. If you guys want to go long, I would not even be opposed to it, man. There, NQ goes a little bit more here. NQ starting to get a little bit of that downtrend, a little bit of that flusheroo, guys. Look at that bounce, guys. I think we... Hold up, guys. I might go long 1 ES. I mean, excuse me, 1 NQ to the top side. I need to see what the overall market's going to do right now. Are we going to continue this red movement, or are we going to spike back up, guys? Chilling out. All right, we are waiting and watching, ladies and gentlemen. No positions. I'm in absolutely nothing right now. All right. I'm in some Bitcoin long term, if that's what you guys mean. If that's what you guys want to hear. All right, potential trap pattern going to form itself out here. Trap pattern. Okay, guys. Trap pattern coming into play. Red candle followed by a green candle followed by another red dumper. This candle needs to now break that low for it to be a proper trap, though. Or it's just going to be another lower shadow followed by a little topping wick. I don't think it has enough momentum to break to the downside, guys.
Order filled.
I jumped in on 1 long here. 1 long to the top side at that low to see if we're going to start to spike, break above. If not, I will cut it. But we're breaking this this trend line here. Well, yeah, we're breaking it. That's where it was. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to break it on the overall market. Want to see it break here on NQ as well. NQ and the S&P needs to hold up. I can see the reversal coming in hella. Super heavy here, guys. I can see it. Chop City, ladies and gentlemen. Chop City, guys. You can't get caught up, man. Chop City, guys. Coming right back down to the 50. I need to see, if it was a spike, I need to see a big lower shadow here back up to the top side and kind of follow through, or else it's going to be a sandwich pattern, guys. Oh, man, it almost looks good to the short side, man. I'm not even going to be lying. I won't lie to you guys. I won't lie to myself. We need that to be a bottoming wick, spike back to the top side here. Back up to that 50-day. Touching the 50-day on NQ, overall market there. Starting to go red to green here. Well, I will be hanging. I would need this to hold up here, guys. Need it to hold up here. The overall market pushing back up, ladies and gentlemen.
Order filled.
I'm in 2 to the top side now, guys. If we get that pump right back up to the top, all the way back up to 23, you guys will be printing, man. 23's up back above that 50-day, guys. That's what you need. There we go. That green, it just has to spike, man. I will cut this. Guys,
order filled.
Why am I cutting it? Why am I getting out? I usually would trade this to the downside right here. That's my normal strategy. So my eyes are tuned into the downside right now, guys. I am trading chop. That's it. I'm just touching chop. I keep touching chop. That's it. But we're breaking that view up. Starting to break this 50-day finally, guys. I'm touching chop, though, man. There's only so much chop you can touch before, you know, it touches your back, bro. It's not good. All right. So coming down to it, ladies and gentlemen. Coming down to the view up. Coming down to the 200-day. This is my personal waiting here. Gonna see if it's gonna hold out below all of these points here. Need to see it. Need to see it hold out. That's a decent gap from the 200 to the VWAP, but need to see it hold out below it, man. Look at that, man. There it goes, guys.
Order filled.
I jumped in 1 on the personal. Looking for this thing to flush all the way down to the view up now, guys. Looking for this thing to flush all the way down to the view up, ladies and gentlemen. All the way down to the view up is what I'm looking at here, guys. We have room to go now, ladies and gentlemen. Now we have room to fall, fade, come to the downside here, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I'm looking at, ladies and gentlemen. I'm looking at that view up touch, all right?
Order filled.
I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take 80. Why did I take 80, guys? I don't want it to wick on me, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so took another 80 there on the personal there. All right, so can't complain. I just don't want it to wick on me, man. You know what I mean? Like, that's what always sucks, is when you're green and you go to red. Green from green to red. Right? So it's like, I just couldn't allow that to happen. But there's your view up touch. Watch Eric for a bounce. 14.976. 14.976. Yup, right around the view up. I agree. Dart trader, 100%. If it's going to break, it's got to break, like, right now. If it's not, it's going to bounce.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna go long two here on my NQ. On my prop to see if we're gonna get that bounce all the way back up to maybe 1500. That'd be about a 30-point move to the top side on 2 contracts. So couldn't type fast enough. Yeah, buddy. So I want these to hold up here, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa, whoa. Starting to break the view up a little bit. I don't know, man. Let's see. Let's see where we're at, guys. Let's see where we're at. I want to see it go green here and spike back up to the 200. And then from the 200, I want to see it break the 200 and come to the top side, ladies and gentlemen. If you like mixes, check this out. Oh, you already know, baby. Give me a second there, Darth Trader. I got you, buddy. I do think we're going to reverse shortly. I don't think this momentum is going to hold up all day. And if it is going to hold up all day, you know your boy's going to cut it. All right, so it just depends on what happens on this candle right near that view up, guys. Something makes me almost want to take another long, but I'm going to wait. Nice little lower shadow there, guys.
Order filled.
Going long 2 more. In 4 to the top side. Waiting on a little bit of a push. Seeing if we can break it. And then start to spike. And start to rally. And start to rip. And start to run, guys. And start to rally, rip, and run, baby. Start your engines, baby. Start them up. Get everything good to go, because here we go, ladies and gentlemen. All right, this is what we're looking for. This is what we're looking at, guys. Welcome to the show, baby. I want to see it spike now to the 200. Hold these gains. I need to see it hold. All right, hold these gains and start to rally on us, baby. Start to really rip and run, baby. Pay you traders out. Pay you traders out, baby. Woo! So, guys, amazing, amazing day. Amazing, amazing trades. See if we get a little bit more of a pop here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. I can't complain. 1200 on the day, just like that. Woo! Oh, I hope you guys are energetic. I hope you guys are feeling it. You guys feeling the energy? You guys feeling the energy in the room, baby? Can you guys feel it? Huh? Good. I'm glad. I'm glad you guys can. Love to hear it, man. Love to hear it, baby. All right, so just like that, man. That's what you do. You just wait for that one play. That one play. That's all. You know, we're snipers, baby. All right, go read my Twitter bio. What does it say? All right. Deny the flesh and feed the spirit. But besides that, it also says stock sniper. All right. So that's what we do. All right, let's check out next year, Darth Trader. I know, maybe some music. Maybe it's because we don't have enough hype music in here. Give me a second. Let's cut whatever this is, man. Make me feel.
Citizens of Big Booty Land, I'm back. Too many days have passed since we've stood by each other's sides.
Darth Trader, what did you just link me, bro?
Wiser for the journey,
Darth Trader,
stronger for the
bro.
endeavor. We've made new friends and lost old ones. It's true. Every day we say our goodbyes, but tonight we only say hello. Hello, citizens. Welcome to our home. Welcome
It's
to
good?
each other.
Is it? Okay. I'm trusting you on this one.
Big Booty Land.
Big Booty Land.
We are here as one, bigger than ever. We have seen much, but there is much to be seen. And now is the time. I bared my soul for all of Big Booty Land, but there is still something I've wanted to get off my chest. When the time comes, the sun.
I'm just waiting on it, man. I'm sorry, guys. I'm waiting on it
The
to.
question is, will you?
So wake me up when
Oh, word, bro. You had me for a second. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. There's that hype. You had me for a second, Dark Trader. I didn't know what was going on. Ladies and gentlemen, Dark Trader with some heat, buddy. I like it. So chilling out, ladies and gentlemen. Cannot complain, bro. So guys, wake up! Get hyped, get your energy filled, get your coffees. You gotta look like this guy. Yeah, buddy. There we go, guys. So, chilling out, ladies and gentlemen. Having a great time here, man, at TradeCaster.com. Time to wake this market up. We need some movement, baby. Get these traders paid out. Let's stop playing games with them, all right? At this given rate, these traders need to be paid out. Yeah, a lot more. All right, we need to wake this market up. He is right. All right, I want to see a view up crack. I want to see a trend line crack. I want to see another. I want to see this trend line crack. How's that gonna happen? It's gonna happen. You know, Lady Gaga always freaked me out, bro. Oh. Okay. Lady Gaga always scared me, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, dude. She was a little bit too much for me when I was a child. Just like what she was like, that one music video she had with the aliens. She was just always too much for me, man. I was just like, yeah, keep that lady away from me, bro. With her meat suit, talk about wacky, right? Like, that's kind of how it is, bro. I'm like, yo, the devil called that girl a grip ago, bro. Satan got a hold of that soul a minute, all right? I'm like, yo, let's not get political. Look at NQ, yup. We're starting to touch. Likes the music? It does, hey. NQ, keep it up, baby. It's gonna keep it up as long as you do, baby. 1 second, guys. Yeah, buddy. So we're chilling out, guys. We are chilling. Hold up. Let's have a party up in here. Oh my goodness, that's not what I meant. Oh, you guys ready for this? Hold up. Yeah! Let's have a field day, baby! Welcome to the show! Welcome to the show! Hold up. Go! Get hyped! Get lit! Get energetic! NQ's on a bot. Look at NQ! Get energetic, ladies and gentlemen.
I need something you prove, something stronger than I'm used to.
Alright, guys. So chilling out. Back up and live. We're back up and live. Good. Alright.
When I told her, I said,
So, good call up by Darth Trader. Turning on big booty mix apparently. Is that my PC lights? Yeah. It's actually, hold up. I can actually bring it over, guys. Cop yourselves one of these. What? Dude, that's wild, bro. So you guys already know, baby. 15.012 needs to break above that for more bullishness. There you go. 15.012, man. 15.012. Yup, 15.012. Let me look at the ES as well. ES book map. Let me take a look at it. ES book map, guys. ES book map. Ladies and gentlemen, first time ever reading book map. Heavy red line. If it's below the bubbles, that means it's support. Bubbles is the candlesticks, aka the price action right now. If it's above it, it means resistance. If it's orange, that means that there's some buy and sellers there. If it's blue, there means there's nothing there holding it back. So that's how it works. So we have some support down to 53, 54 areas. Nothing above it right now, though, that I'm seeing. All the way up until 80, guys. Or I would say 70. 70. We got a little bit of room till 70, guys. So that's how you read that book map, guys. So yeah, buddy. Cannot complain, baby. Oh my goodness. Woo! We're gonna run that at the end, dude. That mix is too hard for me right now, man. It's not even background music, bro. I'm gonna sit here like this the entire time. I'm gonna be like, I'll be like, oh my goodness. I'm gonna be like, yeah, buddy. I'm be sitting here like, whoa, let's get crazy, bro. Let's get crazy. It's like we stock trading or we DJing, baby. Let me know. So, guys, chilling out. So today, guys, honestly, it's Friday. If you guys are up on any account, you guys are up on all of your accounts. If you guys are copy trading, copy trading one account to another, depending on how you trade, options, penny stocks, futures, forex, crypto, whatever it may be, whatever you guys are trading. Guys, we're getting a little bit later. It's 10:36 in this market, guys. I don't really expect this market to, make too many moves today, guys. As you can already tell, the volume's dead. We started the day off like it. Today already looks way different than yesterday. Look at today compared to yesterday, guys. Right? So, you can already tell the volume's dead. Look at the volume today.
Just feels tired.
Okay? Volume isn't really showing up on this one. Alright, we'll just look at those spikes. And then look at yesterday's, though. Okay? So I need to I'm gonna have to get one of these on this chart as well, and then we'd be good to go. So yeah, not a lot of volume picking up on the S&P. Still good on the day though, guys. Up 1200 on this account, and then up basically 80 on this one. So chilling out, guys. Chilling out, man. Isn't that crazy? To me, that's so crazy. I can make 1200 on this account, but I'm making 80 on this one. That's wild. Not complaining though. Not complaining. Green is green. I'll take green 7 days a week, baby. So you guys, how are you guys feeling? How are you guys doing so far? The time is now 10:37 in the market, ladies and gentlemen. How are you guys doing? Are you guys still good on the day? Hopefully no one in here is red. Hopefully everyone in here is green and slightly green and or hella green, big green. That would be even better. Hopefully you guys are printing. I think I need to get back on the energy drink kick, guys. It's my third day of coffee. Feeling sluggish. Feeling like I think after this I'm gonna go cop up on a crap ton of Celsiuses and Ghost energies. I think that's the game plan, guys. Chilling out. Some of you guys are like, yeah, YB, it's probably smart. I'm like, yeah, you're right. You're right, man. You're right. You got me. Chilling, baby. Yeah, guys. So what's the game plan with this account right here, guys? It's more or less just a slow and steady grind. I'm at 5,500. Started off with 4K. It's a slow and steady grind with this account right here. Loaded up. What was this? Not yesterday, but the day before that. I want to say. Loaded it up 2 days ago. Up 3,700 on it. Looking to pass that one next week, and start getting funded. And the only reason I failed last time, guys, is because of that pre-market trading. Right? I usually, guys, and you know what I'm saying, bro. It's not crazy hard if you know what you're doing already, right? And it's very much just you have to know your trading style. Me personally, some of you guys outperform during the pre-market. Some of you guys outperform during the post-market. Some of you guys only like trading Sundays when the futures just opens up, right? It's like everyone has their own trading style. Everyone has their own way to really work it. Me personally, I do well in between the time of 9:30 to 4 p.m. the market hours, right? Volume's hitting like most traders do. But if you even want to simplify that a bit more, let's simplify that a bit more. I do better in between the times of 9:30 to noon. Okay, let's simplify that a bit more. I do better. This is what you guys should always do. I do better on days with large momentum, large spike, gap ups, rips, and runs than small bounces. You can simplify it down to each and every trade, guys. You guys should be doing that as well. This is more than just a craft. This is your livelihood. You want to make this work full time, you got to put in the work. It's like, whoa, YB, you just switched a deep topic on us, man. We're just trying to chill out. All right, you just went deep on us for no reason. It's like, no, but that is honestly, I mean, that's the, you know, that is honestly given truth. I don't know why my thing keeps like randomly not going live. But like, that's the truth, guys. You guys need to be willing to put in that work. Need 100%. So we're chilling out, guys. That's more or less how it goes, though, man. Have to be willing to do it. Have to be willing to put in that work. Grind, baby. There's a crap ton of videos in this library. I bet you, take offense to it, but I bet you 90% of the people haven't even checked out the video library in here. Or if they have, they haven't watched more than like 5 videos. You know what I'm saying? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm just saying it's here for you TradeCaster members and anyone that wants to be a full-time trader over on YouTube.com and wants to join us over here every day live for TradeCaster, baby. You guys have this right here. You want to be a full-time trader, okay? Right, press release news. What is it? Deck strategies. You got small account challenge that he did his last small account challenge. You have AK's videos as well. This thing keeps not going live. Level 2 bootcamp you have as well. So there's so many things. I don't know why my thing keeps flashing not live. That's annoying. So yeah, you guys get it though. You guys understand it. You know what I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen. You guys get it. All right. So guys, back on a little bit of the stock topic here, man. NQ's, it's coming down a little bit here. Nothing too wild. I'm not gonna trade it personally until I see it below that view up. Right? It has to go below that view up, or has to really start to spike, rip, and run on me, man. And I have to see some massive momentum pick up, guys. So, yeah, buddy. You guys, let me know what you guys are trading, what tickers you guys are interested in. If you guys have any big plays, spiking, ripping, running, let me know. Let's check out a. There we go. Let's check this out. Let's check this out, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go down. Let's go to SLNO. Any momentum picked up? Nothing. Nothing on SLNO. Just starting to come back a little bit. What about maybe IMVT? IMVT, no volume. Nothing on IMVT I'm seeing. GPCR? GPCR could have been a potential gapper. Nothing on GPCR. Guys, let's check out that FinViz scanner, guys. My FinViz, for some reason, also is not loading up. Give me 1 second. There we go. APRN, 130. Okay, hold up. Okay. APRN. All right, I lied, guys. I lied. I had that gap up, early morning gap up. Probably a news-based event, I'm assuming. Food delivery startup wonder to acquire meal kit. Okay, so they acquired a company. Meal kit maker, Blue Apron. Blue Apron, I've seen that before. I've almost actually bought Blue Apron before. That's funny. BTCT. Waiting on news on BTC. $2 to $11, guys. There you go. You want a gap? There you go. I'm not seeing anything on BTCT. BTCT. There you go. So for any of you penny stock plays, nothing crazy. Hey, American Airlines. Can't stand them. So we're chilling out, guys. Yeah, man. NQ. Look at that 200-day bounce, guys. 200-day bounce. Overall NQ. Kind of bouncing near its view up. Has yet to really break it and crack below it. It's the time of 10:44 right now, guys. No big momentum. We had our... Okay, guys. Do you want to do this a while we wait? Do you guys... Let me know in the chat right now. I want everyone... We have 27 people in here. Let me do a little refresh. 27 people in here. Also on YouTube.com. How many? Okay, so we got, what, 30 people in here? 30 people in here. And then on YouTube.com, we also have... Alright, we got like 6 over there. That's fine. That's fine. Do you guys want to go over? Do you guys want to go over the FHA loan talk now? Or do you want to wait? Do you guys want to go over the first-time homebuyer talk now? Or do you guys want to wait? Do you guys want to, talk about that? How to do the math on your properties, your rental properties that you could be coming up on. Apartment complexes that you could be coming up on. We're going to be doing math on more than just the FHA loan. We're going to do apartment complexes in general. Let's see if we get to that NQ breakout. You guys want to wait a little bit? We can still wait to the time of noon. But I know the market's a little slower right now, so just trying to pick up the heat. Whatever you guys want to do, make sure to let me know in the chat. All of you guys in here, man. Maybe I'll make a little poll real quick. Here, let me make a little poll. Here you guys go. So I'm going to create a poll, and I'll do one over on YouTube as well. So we're going to go apartment. We're just going to say FHA talk now. FHA talk now or at 12 p.m. EST? Question mark. Want it now. Wait. Oops. Give me 1 second. Wait or want it now, guys. Alright, anonymous voting. And confirm it, baby. Let me know, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know on TradeCaster.com. I'll get a poll rolling over there on YouTube for you guys over there as well. Just so you guys know. Boom, look at NQ. What were you? What? Let's see if you can get that NQ break out of 15.012. There you go, buddy. All the way up to 20. There we go. Oh, man. There you go. Hit your price point. You buying a house? I'm thinking, no. So, my game plan is I'm going to buy a quadplex on a nice quadplex. I'm thinking, like, a very nice quadplex on, like, a 3.5% down or something. Rent out all 4 units. Get the real estate ball going early. You know what I mean? I'm only 19. I feel like buying a quadplex now is the best time. You know, you can never get in too early. That's not a thing. So, let me see what I can do. Start a poll here on YouTube. Here we go. FHA talk now or at 12 p.m. EST. And we're going to switch this to now or at noon. Alright, make sure on YouTube you guys go and vote as well, guys. Make sure you guys go vote as well. If you guys are over there on YouTube.com, going to check out the poll real quick. You guys just got to go talk alerts, profit users underneath that. Right there it is, baby. Alright, and then on YouTube.com, it should pop up right at the top there. Alright, so make sure you guys go vote. Alright. Yeah, that's my thing, bro. So I'm trying to get around that. Darth Trader saying, wait, on FHA loan, though, doesn't it have to be owner occupied, so you would need to live in 1 and rent out 3? So my main game plan is I'm gonna get it, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna live there, but I'm gonna rent it out to a lower price than one of my buddies, because one of my buddies is moving back from Florida to here, and he needs a spot to live. So the game plan is that 4th unit is gonna be at a little bit of a cheaper discounted rate, since technically it won't be leased out to him, or there will be a contract still, but it won't be it won't, and I trust my buddy or whatnot, so I'm not really that worried about it. But yeah, so that's the game plan more or less for it, that 4th unit. The rest of them though, and it's gonna seem like I live there, but that's just it really. That's just all it's gonna be. Cause yeah, I don't know, man. I just feel like running out 4 is the amount of okay guys, hold on. Let me do hold on. Oh man, dude, okay, I want to get into this, bro. The market's slow. We're gonna get into it. I don't care. All right, guys, FHA loan talk, guys. So here's how you do it, baby. Here's the math for it, ladies and gentlemen. We're just gonna start it off. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So this is how you simply do it. This is how you easily do it. I'm gonna take my headphones off since it seems like white's shining through. All right, guys. So this is the math you need to do for the FHA loan, ladies and gentlemen. And if the market starts to make a crazy move, ladies and gentlemen, don't feel free to let me know immediately. Feel free to be like, yo, YB, S&P's ripping, okay? So let's say you got a $250,000 unit, and let me bring up my calculator. Okay. Let's say you guys got a $250,000 property, okay? You guys look at it, you guys like it, you checked it out, you want to buy a $250,000 property with 4 units in it, okay? Now, let's say you guys have someone that can live in the 4th and act like maybe you're in it so you can rent out all 4 of them. That's what we're going with. We're going if you can rent out all 4 of these units, okay? Now, surely they do have to, owner occupied, but there's ways to get around that, okay? So then you have your interest rate. Now, this day and age, we're going to say a 7% interest rate. Now, is that realistic? We'll definitely find out. I don't know. I'm just basing it off of a 7% interest rate. Okay, guys? Right? On the property. So you have your 250,000 times 0.07, right? Which would leave you with 17,500, okay? You're going to copy that. So now you have a total of, clear everything, 250,000. And then you do plus, bink, paste, 1750. Leaving you with $267,500, okay? So this is going to be your total right now, ladies and gentlemen. This is just going to talk. This is going to be your total right now, okay? That is what the total property costs you. Now, this is if the 3.5% down is with the interest rate of 7%, okay? So now you're going to take this. You're going to times it by 0.035, 3.5%, okay? Your total is going to be $9,362, right? So round up, it's going to be $9,363, okay? So you can take that if you want it. So copy it, right? Then you're going to clear it, right? Now what you're going to do is $267,500, right? Minus your initial down payment of $9,363, correct? So guys, you're only putting forth around $10,000 on a $250K property. Now, okay, your overall is $258K, correct? Right? So you guys are you guys still on the page with me? You guys still on the same page? Everyone's still on the same page? Okay, good. Now, I did a 180-month mortgage basis, meaning a 15-year basis, and a 30-year basis. We'll start with the 30-year basis. Your mortgage for 30 years, right? At this given interest rate. Now, is this interest rate realistic? 7%, guys. I mean, I'm just saying 7%. I'm just saying 7% like a car rate. You know what I mean? Nothing crazy. Obviously, it depends on your down payment, right? Depends on everything. Your interest rate will always matter. Yeah. Where did you get these figures from? I did this math myself. So this is just a $250,000 property at a 7% interest rate with a 3.5% down, but that 3.5% down is including the 7% interest rate. So the 3.5% down is based off of $267,500 because you know damn well the bank's gonna include that interest rate before they take your deductible out. All right, guys, you know that's gonna happen, right? That interest rate's gonna be added in, and this is not with electric. This is not with water. This is not with the monthly expenses that you guys are gonna have. This is just the absolute base you're gonna make. Okay, this is not the amount you're gonna make. Because there's going to be expenses. Let's say you hire a property manager. If you hire a property manager, now you got to pay them, right? Let's say, a faulty leak goes one day, and now you got to hire a plumber. Oh, now you got to pay them, right? So it's like there's more to it. So this right now is your overall what the property is going to cost you, and then you divide that by 360 months, 30 years, 360 months, correct? Okay? Bink. Your overall mortgage is going to be $717. Homeowners insurance. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that goes into it. I'm just saying this is the absolute base, okay? This is the base. So it's going to be $717 on a 360-month basis, right? This is just the bare minimum, ladies and gentlemen, just to get you guys wrapped around the idea. We're not going too far into detail because I can't calculate that because it obviously depends on the area you're in, what insurance you go with, where you're living at, yada, yada, yada. There's so many variables that depend on just the deal alone. And you got to know if it's going to be a good deal or not. So you guys should know how to do this math, okay? So what would you do? 250,000 times 0.07 gives you your 17,500, correct? Okay, now you add that together. $267,500, right? Now you take that total right there, okay? So the total properties, I have 267,500, but then you take that $267,500, right? And then you times that by 0.035. Gives you your 3.5% down on a 4-unit property, right? You still with me? Okay, because you're on an FHA loan, so you're allowed to do 3.5% down. You're only putting up a total of $10,000. $9,363. You're putting up a total of technically, you know, if we're rounding up technically 9,000, we're rounding to the nearest, you know, thousand. So technically around $9,000 you're putting up. Your mortgage is going to be around $717, correct? Okay. Now, if we do the same thing, we do the exact same thing, but we do it on a 15-year basis instead of a 30-year basis. Okay, so you have your $267,500 minus your $9,363, and then you divide that by 180 months, right? That gives you $1,400. Why 180 months? Because 15 years is 180 months. Okay, if we're doing month-to-month basis, right? 12 months in a year, 12 times 15, 180. Bada bada boom. $1,434. All right. So why do I have your 1,431? Well, I must have misclicked. It's supposed to be 34 here. Bink. So $34. You can round it up if you guys want. You know, it would round up to the 34th. So that's what your absolute mortgage is going to be, okay, guys? That's what your mortgage is going to be, base minimum. All right, let's say you rent out each unit here for $1,200. Let's say you rent out each unit for $1,200. In this day and age, that is very reasonable. You know, depending the area you get the property in, it really depends. $1,200 is fairly reasonable. Okay, so you do your $1,200, times it by your 4 units. Okay, boom, you're making $4,800 a month. Yeah, I know, Tebow. Tebow's saying don't forget the taxes, PITI, principal, interest, taxes. There's so much more. I'm saying this is the bare minimum. Like, this is if literally you got the property and you didn't have to do all that. But guys, let's say we're gonna subtract. Okay, this is what we're gonna do for all that. We're gonna subtract 50% off of the total to pay off your taxes, your homeowner's insurance. You got to pay off, you know, if you don't, you know, you don't own the land. You got, there's so much more that goes into it. But I'm just saying for these original, this first thing, okay. So at $1,200 a month times 4 units, you would profit around $4,800. That's the rent for all 4 units, right? Okay, let's say you have it at a 30-year fix, which would be $717. Your profit would be $4,083 a month. Hey, congratulations. Now, divide that in half because, like they're saying here, you do have your homeowner's insurance, right? You do have taxes, which will eat you alive, bro. So technically, it'd be around $2,000 after everything's said and done. Okay, let's say that. Let's just we're being conservative here, okay? Let's be conservative so we don't get anyone's hopes up, okay? So that would be it on a 30-year fix per month, okay? Now let's do it on a 15-year fix, right? So your overall total for all 4 units is $4,800. Now you're gonna take that and you're gonna subtract that. Oops, excuse me. $4,800, and you subtract that from $1,434 a month. You guys now have $3,366. Divide that in half. Now you guys are making $1,600 a month compared to, and this is all cash flow, guys. You guys can do this the second you guys want. Whenever you guys get the property, that's cash flow. That's $1,600 going into your bank account, right? That's $1,600. That's $2,200 going into your bank account off of $4,800, right? $4,800 minus the 717, right? Divide that by divide that in 2 because of all the insurance and everything you're gonna have to pay. That's $2,000 going boom, cash flow. Let's say now you guys want to buy another property, and you guys can do this, and I have it calculated. Look at these numbers, guys. So you guys can screenshot this, right? Screenshot this, do the math yourself if you want. But this is what it would be, profit per month on a 360, and then give me 1 second. Here's your profit per month for a 180, okay? So you see how it gets smaller? There's a $100,000 property at 2 units. Your profit's gonna be $2,000 compared to the $1 million property, which is gonna cost you a down payment of $37,000 compared to $3,700. So you guys see the difference, you know what I mean? So that's just, like I said, it's gonna be a fast talk on the FHA loan talk on how you guys, first-time home buyers, can get involved. If you guys are looking to get involved, you guys can always DM me at Twitter, on TikTok, whatever it would be, Instagram. And you guys can just talk to me about it. This is one thing I am very in the book and the in the space of is the FHA loans, due to the fact that I am young and I'm looking to get into the apartment unit property, the apartment unit game, baby. So there you guys go. Make sure if you guys want to, I'll leave a link to that. I'm gonna clip that and leave a link to it so you guys understand how to do the math. And you guys can, all you guys got to do for the difference between that, and let's say it's not your first time buying a home. Hey, you have a $250,000 property. All right, times a 7% interest rate, 0.07. Bink. Okay, so it's gonna be $267,500. $267,500. Not 2.6 million. 265. $267,500. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. Now we're good to go. So, ladies and gentlemen, what does that mean here? Okay, so now let's say you do that, and then you want to do a 20% down payment on the house, because you're not, you know what? YB, no. YB, no. I bought homes before. I'm in the game. I'm older. I'm an older folk. I don't want to. So I just do it and just do 0.2. That's it. Your down payment's gonna be $53,000 on it. Well, oh, YB, I don't got that kind of money. Oh, huh. Luckily, you're a stock trader. Guys, don't ball out with this money you make. Invest it into real estate and build generational wealth for yourself and your family, man. Don't ball out. You know, if you're going to ball out, obviously have some fun. I'm not going to say don't have fun, right? But if you guys get 10, 20, 30, you know, apartment units and complexes, guys, you guys not only will be making like 50, 60, 70, 80,000 a month just off your apartment units, you guys can trade. And now you're trading with larger numbers, man. Now you're trading with 100, 200, 300K in futures, in options, in penny stocks, or whatever it may be, you know, and you guys just build a giant portfolio up. You guys are printing, you guys are chilling. Right, ladies and gentlemen? So, yeah, man, if you try to break that 15-0-12 again, fake out and dump. I just don't know. I honestly, guys, my thought process on the market today is chop, man. We have support there, and I'd say we have resistance starting to form. Almost within this area. Right near that view up, guys. 431 area. Near that 431 area. So I would need to see a proper move for me to take another trade. I'm up 1200 on this account, and then I'm up 80 on this one. So like I said, nothing crazy on either one of them. Nothing too wild. Alright, we're not going buck crazy here, guys. So yeah, buddy, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys have you know, enjoyed it. Enjoyed that little talk I had with you guys. Hopefully you guys are loving it. Loving it. Just want to get that out of the way, just so we can get back to the main focus. And the time of 11 a.m. That 11 a.m. candle didn't do nothing. It didn't do nothing, guys. Choppy day, slower day. It happens. These are the days, guys, you have to be grateful to be green. The days where the market's chop city. If you're a bounce trader, you guys are, you know, Ezekiel Elliott, loving this, bro. You guys are printing, profiting, killing this market. You know, grubbing, essentially, right? So you can't complain, though, man. You gotta love what's going on, man. We had a great week. I will say this week was better than last week. Last week was a bit slower. We had that CPI data, and that did kind of force the market to be. The market was so on edge, I would say. You know, you guys can all agree. We had that interest rate hike as well. Our interest rate hike was last week, not this week. So, yeah, buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, starting to come back down to that lower day. Oh, S&P, can you make a move, baby? Can you make a move so these traders can get some money and get out? Right, guys? So, yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy, guys. We're chilling out, man. Chilling. Woo! So, let me know your guys' thoughts on this market, man. What do you guys think's going to happen, you know, come next week? What do you guys think's going to happen? And, guys, so one last thing about the TikTok Creator Program. I did a little talk about it yesterday. So, essentially, for you guys to go live, if you guys ever want to go live on TikTok, you have to have at least 1,000 followers, right? Now, however you get that, right? Do what you got to do. My main thing about it also is you guys have to have 1,000 followers and have gone live at least, I think it's 2 hours to unlock the TikTok Creator Studio. TikTok Live Studio within the last 30 days. Also, to start getting paid out with the Creator Program, you have to have 10,000 followers, right? And you guys, every 1,000 views, you will get a certain percentage. Depending which niche you're in, I think differs the amount, right? So let's say you're in the car niche. It's going to be different than the guy that's in the financial niche. It's going to be different than the guy that's in the thirst boy trap, F-boy niche, you know what I mean? That's just posting like thirst traps. Like, that's going to be a lot different. All of those payments are going to be way different, right? You get paid to distract the audience from their normal lives and their normal everyday living. That's essentially what creators get paid for, man, by these companies. like, whoa. Let's not get political now. It's like, whoa, YB. But touch on something you don't want to do. No, I'm kidding. It's really all it is, though, man. It's really all it is. They can rely on you to make content to distract the audience from the big events going down in the world, baby. Yeah, buddy. Oh, we're chilling out. NQ's coming down to the view up. I love it. I love it, guys. I want to see that 70 point come back into play. It happened once today. Nothing else kind of really forming out. Not looking bad. Coming down, man. The shorts might start to pay out. Look at the overall market, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the overall market, ladies and gentlemen. Can we be honest with each other? Oh, there we go. Starting to get a little bit of a dumperoo. NQ. NQ starting to get a little bit of a dumperoo, guys. A little bit. Look at that wick, man. It has to hold these lows, especially if the overall market can continue to flush. I will be feeling a lot more happy. I might take another trade on it. I might not take another trade on it. We'll see. I need to see clear movement here. And that is not clear at all, guys. That is less clear than I mean, you know, a foggy day in like the good old state of Pennsylvania, baby. On a nice, you know, one of them cold, foggy days, cold, foggy nights, you can't see nothing. You think a tree is like a scarecrow or some like chick standing there about to like get you. You don't know what's going on, man. You're getting scared and everything, and it's just raps. So you guys get what I'm saying. Guys, think about going short here, man. If this can hold up, this momentum can hold up, I do think we got it. Guys, I do like it a little bit. I'll go short one, not two. I just don't feel confident in this market. I don't feel confident in this market. So I'll still take the play, but I'm going to take it with less positions due to the fact I'm not as confident. You ever thought about using hard stops like a bracket order? You know, I don't mind hard stops, and they're very good. Except like all my normal, like my personal, dude, you guys see how I trade. You guys see how I trade on that. If that thing would have went red to green here, I would not DCA and hold, bro. I would be out. It's wraps. On the prop accounts, my aggression level is massive. So what I mean by that is like I will DCA and DCA and DCA knowing I can continue to DCA. And if I, you know, the account gets shit on or whatever, I'm super aggressive. Now I'm being up $1,200. I actually just remind myself. I do have let me actually make it. I was supposed to make a sticky note yesterday, which I usually run by my sticky notes rather well. You know. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry guys, this is my to-do list for yesterday. Did 9 out of 10 things on my to-do list yesterday, guys. Boom. Get addicted to doing your to-do list, guys. Great thing. Alright, don't trade. And I suggest this as well, guys. Guys, you gotta make sticky notes. Ladies and gentlemen, make sticky notes for everything in life, baby. That is crazy. This is yellow, bro. This sticky note is yellow. Can you guys see that? See how it's yellow? But when I do this, it disappears. It's like, oh yeah, you guys want to see something disappear? What do you guys want to see disappear? This pen? You want to see this pen disappear? You guys ready for this? You guys ready for this? Oh, look, it disappeared. Sorry, guys. I was trying to show you this, but since it's like yellow, I can't. Okay, you can kind of see it. Don't trade when over 1,000 in your prop account, guys. That's a sticky note. We're adding that to the pile, guys. I have a massive pile here of just sticky notes. They're just posted up everywhere. And, you know, you know, I have a big sign saying don't touch pre-market because that's my biggest thing, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, I very much suggest make some sticky notes, guys. Go get yourself a pack, right? Go get yourself a big pack of them. Go make sure you guys get some daily tasks done with these sticky notes. Very, very useful. Very, very useful. There you guys go. Just spend like $10 and have some nice signs made and laminated from Office Max. That would actually be valid. That would be valid. That's an investment right there. What is it? You can get like a nice, good sign made. Really? I don't think I've ever done that. Can I get like a poster board filled with sticky notes, laminated? Can I do that and then post it on my wall somewhere? That'd be sick. That'd be sick. For sure. I'd be down for it. There we go. Free sauce by Darth Trader. I need to do that myself. Yeah. It's honestly, because you'll be like, oh, maybe I'll take that trade. Then you look down and you see don't trade prop when you're up over 1,000. And then you remember the emotions you felt when you're up over like not 10,000. When you're up over like $1,000, $2,000 in your prop account. Guys, this looks amazing. I'm going to come down, ladies and gentlemen. Then you remember how much you were up on your prop, and then you know, you went down, you went from green to red on it, and it's like, it's like, damn, it's like, really, bro? It's like, wow, it's like that. Then you're like, yeah, buddy, it's actually exactly like that. It's exactly like that, man. It's like, that's why you don't trade. It's like, once you're green, bro, get green and get out, baby. I need rules, I need structure, because again, making money in the market is easy or easier, but keeping it is the hardest part. So with rules, perhaps that'll help. Yep. And hey, man, make yourself some rules, bro. I don't. So here's what I've learned over my years of trading, guys. I don't trade pre-market. I don't trade pre-market anymore, guys. I don't touch it. I wake up, I'll see a move, I'll be like, that's good. That's awesome. I hope you guys are banking. I'll give you guys a chat, and you know, Dex chat or something. I mean, like, I hope you guys are banking today. And that's basically it. I don't touch pre-market. I don't touch Sundays with futures. I don't do any of that. I don't, and I'm starting to realize I don't like to trade when I'm up over $1,000. Right, $1,200. You know, God disciplines the greedy. That's a fact, right? You're up over $1,200, but you want to make $1,500. I mean, you know, to get religious, to not get religious, to basically get religious, man. In my head, I'm thinking, you know, God will discipline the greedy 100% of the time, man. If you're in here saying, oh yeah, I'm up 1,200, but I'm gonna hold this for 4,000, and unless that was your plan all along, like if that was your plan, you're not being greedy, right? If that was your plan, that's not called greed. That's called you had a plan, you set it forth, you did some good trading, that's awesome. If you're green and you're up like $1,200, $1,300, man, and you keep trading, keep pushing the buttons, one of those trades is going to be red. One of those trades is going to be red and knock you out. And then you're going to be upset that you're not up $1,300, $1,400, $1,000. You're going to be red $1,000. And you're going to be like, I could have stopped trading one trade ago and I would have been good. And it's like, you know, God rewards those that are not greedy, you know? So... Big on that right there. Big on that. Because I am a greedy trader sometimes, man. I'm not even gonna lie. I definitely need to work on that. But I do think right here, guys, if this cracks you up, it's coming down, baby. I do think that. Not talking about greed. I'm just being straight up with you guys. If this cracks you up on NQ, starts to come to the downside, actually push it, I'm with you. I think we're coming down, baby. Now we are in that chop zone. I won't be touching it till then. But I'm with you guys, alright? I'm with you guys on that, baby. So, we're waiting and watching, man. We are waiting and watching on it. I'm just gonna see. Alright, guys, that's probably gonna be... That's the trade I'm looking at. It's gonna be my trade of the day I'm looking at right now. Okay, guys? Had a few beforehand, but nothing too wild, man. Nothing too crazy. Greed is the worst and hardest psychological thing to overcome. The fact that you can make so much money so quickly in the market, and the type of money that can be life-changing has people chasing that, and that's what gets you burned. And I couldn't agree more, man. If you guys have been burned in the market, we've all been slightly burned in one way or another. We've all taken big red trades before where we're like, what just happened? You don't even know what happened. You can't even fathom it, right? We've all been there before. We've all taken trades where we've been so green, too, that you're like, what's just happened? If you guys haven't yet, you guys, your day will come where it will happen. You guys just have that trade where it's just like, whoa. And it's like, that was awesome, bro. That is amazing. How that is so crazy. You're gonna feel like you're on top of the world. But don't let that get to your head, bro. Don't let that get to your head. Don't let thinking that you're on top of the world, because just as fast as you're on top, it's just, you know, you're riding the wave of life, baby, and next thing you know, the wave's crushing you. Never think you're on top of the world, man. Stay humble. I'm telling you, man. I see too many people do that, bro. It really irks me, dude. They think they're on top of the world. They think they have everything, man. And then just like that, dude, something happens. And then they're at the bottom. But they just screwed over the people from the roots. They just screwed over all the other people that, you know, they're like, oh, I'm too good for you. I'm too good for you and everything. And then, you know what I mean? There's a difference between I'm too good for you and saying I'm just not going to associate with you. There's a big difference. All right, guys? So remember your roots. All you millionaires out there and future millionaires, remember. It burned me yesterday. I remember saying in chat, I'm up 1,400. I don't even know why the heck I still had the platform open. I got scorched. Yup. Then you make a red trade and want to make it back and take another red trade, and then you try to go back for break even, and you just get first degree burns instead of what? Yup. Bro, that's what always happens. It's like, oh, I'm red. Guys, I am thinking about a trade here, though. I am thinking about a trade. Hold on. We're breaking that view up. We're coming down, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, man. It's like, guys, oh, man, I want to be green. It's like, oh, let me just get back to where I was green again, and I'll stop trading. Okay, now I'm red. All right, let me just get back to break even. Oh, man. Well, let me just lower this red trade a little bit. It's not low. Let me just, you know what I mean? Just keep saying that. You keep saying that, guys. We're really starting to come down here. Oh, we have that auto trend line right there, though, guys. We have that auto trend line so close. It's too risky, man. If that, oh, my goodness, that looks good, though. Oh, baby. If it doesn't look good on the S&P. The S&P has to fall flat here for me to get in. That's it, guys. That's it. Don't get scorched by the flame, baby. Right? You have to know how to work the fire, man. You have to know how to work the fire, or else you will get burned. All right? Man, I don't know if you guys have ever done it, but I've done it before, where you touch the burner, and then your brain processes, okay. You know, when you were a kid, you maybe touch the burner, and you're like, oh, okay, that one hurt. That did not feel good. All right, let's not do that again. You know what I mean? You're just like, yeah, all right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, don't get burned by the flame, guys. That's a hot flame, baby. The market's a hot. Now, in the same sense, you guys can cook a whole steak on that flame, too. AKA, you guys can be up super green. You guys can make your entire lives off that, right? So, and you guys will learn your strategies. My strategy might not be your strategy. Your strategy might not be mine. We might have the same strategies. My guys might, you know, love hanging out with YB, think it's the best thing ever. You guys might be like, well, YB, you talk a lot. You know, you talk a little bit. You'd be like, well, you know, I don't know about you, buddy. So you guys have your preferences. You know, everyone has theirs. It's okay. You're allowed to. You're allowed to be an individual. So we love it, man. Potential trap pattern coming into play here, guys. I am very tempted to go short in this area. Very, very tempted to go short, but I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to touch it. I don't want to touch it. Or either vice versa. I'm tempted to go long or short in this area just because I know we can. And that's the thing. It's like if you don't know, don't go. Oh, baby. Potential trap pattern on the overall NQ. Dude, I can't look, guys. I can't look at it. Oh, man, bro. That looks so good. That looks so clean for a down break, man. I might take it. Oh, my goodness, guys. Oh, that looks so clean. It's what's holding me back? What is holding me back? The S&P, guys. The S&P can get a pop up to that 58, and it's going to spike this market. It's going to spike NQ up as well. Guys, if the S&P comes back down at that given rate, I think we'll break this auto trend line, and we would start to punch in those lows. What is stopping me right now from getting in? The fact that we can spike a root up to the top side, you know, and just continue to go. And I'm not going to be the guy to be in for that. You know, oh my goodness, that looks so good though. What's up, Mike Trader? SPY, 429.80 is big support. There you go. 429.80. 429.80. I can see, dude, the 80 points are always critical. I will put a line there because I am with you there. I'll take a look back a little bit. So you already know, man. Next thing, over the past week, we have done countless trades, practicing and finding the perfect contracts to grow a small account. After 2 weeks of trying every combination we have found it, and we are applying it on Monday. Get ready to make history. Ladies and gentlemen, Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen, Deck is starting a small account challenge starting with $2,000, looking to make upwards of $50,000, guys. If you guys are over on YouTube right now, ladies and gentlemen, if I post this later to any social media links as well, guys, you have this weekend only for 25% off all memberships on TradeCaster.com, guys. You guys, that's the biggest deal we've ever done here. It's the biggest deal in history, ladies and gentlemen. So make sure to take advantage of it. If you guys are already a TradeCast, remember you guys can renew your subscription as well. Yada yada. You guys have heard it. You guys are already like YB. We've heard it a million times. But just in case, any new people around here. What's up, Zachcast? Over on YouTube, yo, bro. If you didn't know, when S&P and Nasdaq from a S&P and Nasdaq form a divergence, it helps to go to the direction. Depends on what it helps to go to. Sorry, man. There's like this little heart thing that like cuts off the last word, and it's always annoying on YouTube. Here, I gotta like do this. Please. S&P and Nasdaq form a divergence. It helps to go to the direction. Depends on the. Okay. Depends on the divergence. Okay. Well, there you go. Hey, now they're starting to act the same, and that's what I didn't want to happen, guys. I didn't want to go in and, you know, the market basically take me and screw me over, right? So, I'm glad I got in where I got in. I'm glad I didn't get in where I was just thinking about getting in, guys. But I was thinking about going long in a way, just because it was bottoming out, and if the S&P spiked back up, I knew it. So, thanks for the info there, Zach. I appreciate it, buddy. Are you green on the day? Zach saying, I am as of right now. I am up $80 in that account, and then I'm up $1,200 in this account. This one's a prop, that one's a personal. So nothing crazy, not a big gain on the day. Can't complain though. Can't complain. Green is green. Depends how much green it is. Doesn't matter. It's still green. All right, ladies and gentlemen. You know, with that last push, guys, I think I'm gonna say it. I think we'll go over it, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ending this month with the last. Okay, guys, knock on wood. We have won. We have had straight green days every single day, right? And I have it right here. Since the 8th of September, we have had one green day, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seven green day, but that green day was red on the personal, green on the prop at the time, so you can consider that what you want. But it was green more on the prop than than the personal. Then the next day came back and made it back. We were green on both, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 on that Friday was leaving for Florida. Didn't trade that Monday. 12, 13, 14, 15 days strong, ladies and gentlemen. We are 15 days strong, okay? Guys, I have a little calendar here. So, I like writing things down personally. You guys can, you know, obviously use digital calendars if you want. But, so half the month so far. And the only reason I say this is because I only started tracking on the 8th. You see here? I only started tracking on the 8th. So, other than that, I could probably go back and see. Other than that, but... yeah, I only started tracking on the 8th of the month, ladies and gentlemen. So, yeah, buddy. All right, guys. We are chilling. Sorry, guys. Looking at something right now. Guys, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. Let me be right back. I think, you know, hold on. Sorry, guys. I think Tango's getting into something out there. A little hooligan. A little menace to society. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Real quick, yeah, Dark Trader, that is my trading journal. I made that chart myself, so you guys can also make one as well. All I did was literally just make a calendar in a journal. So that's my trading journal for right now. I have like 7 journals though, bro. I'm always writing. I'm always reading as well. So yeah, I got like 3 books right here, man. So it's good. It's good knowledge, man. Good to keep it up. Give me 1 second, guys. Backing at it, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, everybody's ear raped some of you guys. That was actually really loud. All right, guys. Look at that S&P push now, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're starting to break that to the top side, guys. We're holding above 1500. That 1500 point would have been a good entry. Oh my goodness, I'm very tempted here, guys. Oh man, gotta keep the gotta keep it off my. Nope, I can't touch it. Can't touch it, guys. Can't touch it here, guys. No touching it for myself. Nada, man. I am happy with the gain so far. I guess I'm happy with the gain so far on the week. I'm not. I can't throw it away. I can't willingly just throw away the gains, man. If I can. Here's how I also think about it. And I think you guys should as well. And cue it back in that critical area, 15.012. Yup, dude, it just keeps reversing right there, man. It can't break above. I think the same thing. I mean, like I said in the beginning of the day, man. I think today is gonna be one of those days where the buyers will pick up the strength like that, but they're not gonna be strong enough to make a clear direction. Same thing with the sellers. The sellers gonna make a direction like this, but they're not gonna be strong enough to pick it up. Because you have a certain amount of buyers and sellers still trading today, right? You have a certain amount of buyers and sellers. Well, when they're around equal, that's when you get your chop. Well, when you have a crap ton of sellers coming in and dumping the market, the buyers are kind of like, whoa, buddy, I'm gonna put my hands back. I'm gonna sit back on this one, right? Or I might flip the script and join the sellers, right? It's like, okay, well, that's cool. Well, the opposite, vice versa. When you have a lot of long traders, a lot of people that like to go long all the time, they trade. Same thing will happen, guys. It's very crucial to know. You can't be biased. You can't be like, well, why is the market reversing here? Come on, man. Come on, man. You got sellers coming in. You got more sellers and buyers coming in. It's a little critical thing, man. There. Oops. Let me turn that up for you guys there. There you go. There you go. So, turn the mic volume down a little bit for you guys. Just so I'm not, like, punching your eardrums, hopefully. There you go. Alright. So, yep, nothing too crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing too crazy, man. So, here we are. Nice. It pays 10 Starbucks drinks. Yeah, buddy. I was confused. There you go, Zach. Zach saying, yeah, buddy. So, you know, yep. I got about, you know, maybe a Chipotle bowl and a Starbucks drink today. You know, once this prop account gets passed, I'll have about, you know, a Starbucks drink and a you know, a large, a venti. You know what's crazy? We talked about this before, I'm pretty sure. I don't get the terminology. Do you want a grande? No, I want a medium. Grande's large. A venti's the only one that doesn't mean large. Tall and grande both mean large. Venti's the only one that doesn't. Right? So why is venti large? Think about that, ladies and gentlemen. Think about that for Starbucks. Huh? Someone tell me. Someone explain that to me. Someone explain that to me. Huh? So I was actually doing my research to see if I was right on that. I didn't want to say it and like not be correct. So apparently it does mean large, but it's in Italian. Huh. Venti. Large, but in Italian. So why do you have grande, which is Spanish, tall, which is American, you know, tall? But they all mean large. So, you know, man. You know. Put me to the choir, guys. Preaching to the choir. You guys are like, man, YB, we know this. Ladies and gentlemen, it's starting to really come down here. Guys, oh man, am I tempted, bro. I am very tempted to pull the trigger on this one. I do want to pull the trigger, almost. You know, get a good play going. We're finally breaking that 200 day a little bit more here, guys. We're looking good to that downside play. I need the NQ almost to break this trend line that's been holding it up. Not a very steep trend line, so it does have that room. So I am looking to get filled on that. Probably down beneath that 60 point, guys. Overall market's starting to come. I just don't want to see it reverse on me, bro. I just don't want to see that thing wickaroo on me, man. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. We're right at that 60 point, guys. I'm gonna wait. We're right at that 60 point. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to come down a bit more, guys. Starting to break out. Finally starting to break out from its little lows. Ladies and
Order
gentlemen, going
filled.
short one contract here just to see. Ladies and gentlemen, want to see this thing rip-a-roo to the downside and continue here, guys. Want to see this thing continue. Been waiting all day for a trade like this. Been waiting all day for these wicks to come into play. Start to actually form here. Start to get below the trend line. Got below the auto, the VWAP, the 200, the 50-day. Below all of them here. We're going to see if we can touch like the 40 level. That's not too far off these days, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. Starting to come into play, guys. Starting to come into play, guys. We need that red to continue up. Continue to hold up. There we go. Immediately red. Want to see it continue here, guys. Yeah, buddy. So looking, waiting, and watching, ladies and gentlemen. Want to see the red continue on all of these tickers here, guys. Looking for some green or red to come back into play and spike down, guys. Green or red, spike that thing down, guys. All right? So waiting and watching. Waiting and watching. Here comes S&P on its low. If S&P breaks that, guys, it's going. It's really going to go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that's what I'm looking at here. I want that to break and continue to fall here, ladies and gentlemen. Ah, right near it, bro. I needed that to break, ladies and gentlemen. If we go green or red, we still got it a little bit. I need it to come down to like 5-4. Down to the lows, 5-4s. Go green or red. Kind of flip the script in a way. And start punching in those low, like, you know, 4-8s, 3-8s. So wait and watch and see if we get any green or red movement, guys. Waiting and watching, guys. Want to see a red candle come in and just dump a root back down to the low there, ladies and gentlemen. Back down to the low there, guys. And we are good to go, baby. If it can go down to the low, punch in the low 50s. Getting there a little bit lower. Starting to punch it in. Looks good. Ladies and gentlemen, if it can hold these lows, it looks good, guys. If it can hold these lows, we look good to go, baby. Woo. So coming right back down into play. Guys, want to see the red come in on the NQ. Overall market starting to come back into play, guys. Overall market starting to come back into play. Now starting to formulate a little bit more here. Guys, it just needs to hold these lows. Hold these lows and continue here, guys. I think S&P got it if it can. I think S&P got it if it can, guys. S&P got it, ladies and gentlemen. NQ, let's see. Just waiting on that one red candle to come in, punch it in. Below 50. And you guys got it. You guys are printing. You guys are getting paid out. You guys are getting paid out good, too. So need that red candle to come in, punch it in below 50, and I'll take it. Where we at right now? We're so close to that low, guys. So close to that low, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that little double bottom there. Oh, man, I would need to see that come down. Oh, man. So close, baby. I know it can break to the downside here, guys. Especially a green to red candle. Green to red candle on this, in this little wedge here. I know it can come down. All right? So, we're feeling a little risque. I want it to come down. Getting a little bit of that bearish momentum. Coming back down with the NQ starting to flash. Overall market. NQ starting to push to the downside one more time. So chilling out, waiting, baby. Waiting on it. Seeing if we can hold these lows and come right back down. Get a nice big dumperoo down to like 40. Nice red candle coming in, guys. Nice red candle. Gonna see if we can break the lows and start to really pay you guys out, alright? So it's like, YB, you talk a lot, man. Oh, whoa. It's like, whoa. It's like I'm just trying to get a grip. Get a grip on the market. NQ overall just pushed that low. NQ overall, these things look very bearish right now, ladies and gentlemen. I will be 100% honest. I'm thinking more bearishness right now, ladies and gentlemen. To be honest, man, I want to see it come down. I want to see that spike break these lows here, guys, and continue to fade and flush. Starting to come down. See a little bit of green. There you go. Starting to flip to the green side here, guys. Starting to push those lows. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to see it continue here. I want to see it continue to push those lows. Ladies and gentlemen, cannot complain. I know it can break that point, though. I know it can break this low, ladies and gentlemen. Especially if you go green or red on the overall market right here, NQ. Just like that. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen. You cannot complain about those lows coming into play. Ladies and gentlemen, spiking out.
Order filled.
Gonna take my profit. Boom on the day, baby. Wipe your hands clean. Woo! Woo! Oh, traders. Flipping traders, man. We've waited this entire day for just one clean, perfecto move. Mwah! Darth Trader saying, take it. Oh, I got you, buddy. Don't you worry about it. I know it can break 40 and go for more, but I'm not going to be biased. I'm not going to sit here and hold and hope. I'll take my gains. Remember, gains are not gains until you lock that shit up, bro. Until you lock it up, it is not your money. It is not your money until you lock it up. Note that, ladies and gentlemen. I want you guys to all note that. It's not your money until you lock it up, baby. That is still the broker's money. That is still whoever you're trading against money, bro. So if you lock it up, baby, whoo, you secure in the bag. In the same short, let's go for a print. Zach, I know we printed, buddy, right? Oh, yeah, buddy. Oh, it looks so clean, guys. Guys, that definitely is it for your boy on the day, man. But we're going to chill out with you guys until probably around noon. We're going to chill out, so. Oh, I'm so happy I got that last trade of the day. Oh, man. All right, so sitting up 378 on the personal, and then sitting up around, we're sitting up around 1217 on the funded, man. Woo! All right, baby. That sets it off a little, and here she goes some more, man. Here she goes some more. Cannot complain with the green, though. I'm not going to complain. Oh, that's awesome, man. So, 3 to 5 contracts on ES. Should try. See, the thing about ES, I don't mind it. I don't know why. Me and, you know, the S&P, you know, ES, we get along, but we don't, like, me and NQ are tight, bro. You guys ever see the video on, like, the perfect DAP? You guys ever see that? Some of you guys might know what I'm talking about. Some of you guys might be like, YB, you sound insane, man. You're crazy, bro. Trust me. It's like the perfect DAP. All right, that's what me and NQ have. Me and ES kind of look like this. We're like, well, me and you know, NQ are like. So you guys see what I'm saying? Look at that trap pattern here forming. Oh my, bro. Trap patterns across the board. Guys, we might have found our direction for the day. Ladies and gentlemen, are we going to continue to push these lows? What did I say? Guys, I'm not, I will never be the guy that's like, I told you so. I hate being the guy that's like, oh, look, I told you so. See it happen. Nobody wants to hear that. Nobody wants to hear that crap. Nobody wants to hear, okay, yeah, that's cool, bro. I don't care. Nobody wants to hear the guy that, you know what I mean, like that. But I'm just saying, yesterday morning, right? You can go back in the stream and look. I said we have a nice big lower shadow here. I could see us going up to 430, 429 to 431, right? Anything over that, we may push up to like maybe 435. But other than that, guys, we would have started the spike. And especially if we broke 435 areas, we're gapping, man. We're gonna have a gap up to 438 in those areas, and then touch that 58, and then start to reverse back off 440, right? But right now, with the way we're acting, I could see that just being that one green day we had. We had that one big green day. Look at that, red candle, red candle, red candle, green day, red candle, green day. Let's see if it's gonna hold out, and let's see what happens at that 200 day on the daily, guys. 425.58 have yet to hold underneath it, guys. So, but oh baby, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, I hope you guys are loving watching the streams, trading, learning. Hopefully you guys are learning as well. That's the biggest thing. Learning, just not watching what I'm doing, but learning what I'm doing, guys. Sandwich pattern right here, sandwich pattern right here. Gonna see it play out right now. I'm calling it right now, sandwich pattern. Gonna start to play out here, but if it breaks this low here, has to come down to like 30 and it would play out, man. What's a sandwich pattern, YB? Red candle, 2 small green candles followed by a red, and it usually just continues to dump a roo, baby. There you go. There's your touchdown at 430. It has to be a little bit more critical. I'd want to see the overall market crack. It actually, oh my. Okay, guys, I gotta stop. All these trades make me want to just like jump back in. Oh my goodness, I gotta stop. My hands are off the table. Even though if I would have printed right there, but we're not gonna talk about it, guys. If you guys are still in, if you guys are still holding, you guys are green right now. You guys probably are up like $1,000 on futures. You guys are probably up a little bit more than that. Oh my goodness, who told me to stop? Which one of you guys said YB don't take it? Oh baby, man. Oh, we're loving it, man. We are loving it, dude. I love wrapping up a good old Friday like this, man. A good old Friday, man. Oh my goodness. It's so hard, bro. It literally, guys, I think it is. I think we all need to have an AA meeting, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna get decked to have an AA meeting and host it for all of us traders. All right, we all need to focus on our addictions. I've been trading for 10 years now. I just can't stop. I just, you know, anytime my stop loss comes near, I do get out, but I just can't stop trading, guys. It's been 10 years straight. I need help. It's like, well, I mean, like, well, are you doing good? It's like, yeah, I'm doing phenomenal. I'm a multi-millionaire. It's like, well, how much? Well, you know, I made around, like, you know, 50 million. It's like, well, have you ever thought about retiring? It's like, see, that's where I need to stop. See. You know what's crazy, guys? Okay, guys, here's this. There's this guy, and if you guys, Mark Douglas, the guy that made Trading in the Zone. Mark Douglas, the creator of Trading in the Zone, the book. He did that video. Mark Douglas. Hold on, let me look this up. Mark Douglas. Trading Psychology. Right? Amazing video. Like I said, like 4 parts to it. 4 parts to it. So it's a you know, think like a professional. There it is. Mark Douglas, think like a professional. Here, let me see if this is
Hello.
it.
My name is Mark Douglas, and I'm...
Yes. Okay, guys, I'm gonna link this. I'm gonna link this for you guys. If you guys have time this weekend, go and watch this. Go and watch this. I think this is the one. Now, I'm not sure. It's 4 parts. We each are an hour long. Go watch this. Think like a professional. Guys, I watched this and this completely shifted my mind from thinking as the market as it reacts to me, as thinking as the market as a numbers game. Right? If we wanted to, we don't need these charts to even trade the market. We could load up level 2s and trade the market still, guys. Right? You could use a line chart, guys, instead of candlestick. You guys could literally come in here, right? And go here. You guys can go here. Let's go to chart type. Chart mode. See this? Instead of having candles, you guys come in here and literally just do like, okay, I don't know what the heck that is. That is not what I meant. Let's go lines. See that? And it's like, okay, well, YB, you can still tell tops. Okay, well, then let's come in here and do this. Chart type. Let's go like area. Okay, it's like, you know what I mean though? Like, you guys see what I'm saying? Like, and you guys would still be able to, because it's the trading psychology behind it, and it's the fact that the trading style is you're not trading the charts. The charts are just the numbers put forth by other traders. Think about it as it's just a numbers game, a money game, right? That's all it is, bro. That's all it is a money game. Right? Okay, when it gets up to the price of 431.30, when it gets up to the 431.30, I know that there's going to be more sellers and buyers coming in based on past chart history stating that 431.30 is resistance. I have it written down for every time it hit 431.30 and started the break to down. Okay, I'm going to get short at 431.30. Right? If you're a day trader back in the day in 1930, 40, 50s or whatever on the floor, you're holding signs up, bro. You're trading soybeans, dog. You know what I mean? Like, you're not. So, I'm going to send this here. Think like a professional. There it is. Oh, wait, what is this right here? Oh, sorry, man. Secret behind Starbucks string. Oh, there we go.
You've seen it 1,000 times, but I bet you've never realized why.
Drink sizes are weird? Oh, yeah, dude. Here we go, guys. Hold on. This is the big thing here. Pause the music, ladies and gentlemen. This is some important information for every trader out there to know.
You've seen it 1,000 times, but I bet you've never realized why at Starbucks they have such weird names for their sizes. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds.
What does Starbucks cup size have weird names? Why? Alright. Which one? Which one do you guys think it is the most? Because they're in Italian? To stand out? Sugar addiction or copyright issues?
So initially Starbucks had just 2 coffee size options, short and tall, and it was super simple. But then as the sugar addiction spread among Americans, consumers started demanding larger coffee portions. So this is when they introduced grande, which is Italian for large. So there was short, tall, and grande. But American consumers wanted even more coffee in their cups. So this is when they introduced venti, which means 20 in Italian. This is why the coffee size in the Starbucks is so weird.
Venti. Let me get a venti large ice. No whipped cream, please. Get out of here, bro. Yeah, let me get a large. Let me get a large. Do you mean a venti? No, I mean a large. Hi. Oh, bro. Oh, dude. Bro, I said that to a Starbucks worker one time. Oh my god, so funny. Cause I was being dead. I was being serious. Like, I didn't think about it. Like, the girl, it was a guy, not a girl. And I was just like, yeah, can I get a medium? And he's like, oh, you mean a grande? I'm like, no, medium. I'm just like, okay. I'm just like, and I forgot that like they have those weird names, and like they roll by them, man. It's like, yeah, bro. I don't know, man. I don't know. I got no comment. Man. Thank you for that, Darth Trader. Thank you for that. I don't even know how you found that, man. Every morning I wake up and try and make combinations of option contracts on the paper trading sim to find out what is paying out the best. After 2 weeks of doing this, I've consistently found the best combo, which I've been trading each week. I'll be trading next week. I'll be teaching next week. Each trade is a $2,000 less contract. 10% return is the goal. Yeah, buddy. Deck is getting into this one, man. Deck is getting into this one, baby. All right, so you already know, man. He's not playing in games, baby. Love to hear it. Love to see it. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys do as well. Hope you guys are having fun on a Friday, man. Killing the market, baby. Oh, man. This is fun. This is fun. This is a great day, guys. So, is everyone in here doing great today? The market's been a bit slower, I will admit, but is everyone in here still doing great today? You guys all having fun? You guys all profiting? You know, you guys all still killing the market, hopefully. Getting in there, getting them done. You already know. So, not complaining with the gains on the day, man. Slow and steady wins the race, guys. I'm talking about the game of life, the race of life. I could see this being a bottoming area here on the S&P, depending on what comes forth. You know, 429 area. Here, let me check out a 4-hour chart. Checking out a 4-hour chart, immediately I see a trend line holding it up. Something tight like that. You guys have room all the way down to 428 levels. 428 levels. Underneath that is going to be a little bit, you know, differentiated. You know, underneath it, if it holds underneath it, guys, there's no stopping it, man. There is no stopping it. You know, this is just a madness recently, man, ladies and gentlemen. Like, look at this, man. Insane. Insane. I gotta put that out there. Insane. I love it. I love me some movement, man. I cannot get me enough of some movement on the S&P, man. So, give me 1 second. So, yeah, buddy. You already know, guys. You are chilling. Sorry, guys. I just bro. Oh my goodness, I just zoned out completely. I was not eyeing a chart up, I swear. I was not deep staring a chart. I was zoned out, bro. Oh my goodness. This coffee doesn't hit. I need energy drinks. We're done. I'm done playing these games, bro. I'm getting energy drinks. I'm done. I can't do this. Just doesn't do the trick, man. Oh man, guys. You guys have anything? You guys, you know, you guys want to go over? I did that FHA loan talk a little bit earlier and talked about the creator fund. It's about probably an hour ago at this rate. Yup, right around an hour ago I did the talk. Nothing too wild. Kind of just some simple, you know, more simple math than not. You guys can, you know, implement into whatever you're trying to do. So yeah, buddy. Ah, I love it, guys. I love it. So, I don't know, man. My thoughts on this overall market right now, man, is we're not going to get too much more movement today. It's going to slow down. Come Monday, guys, I want you guys to be ready. Not only is there a small account challenge happening, me and Caesar are going to go head-to-head. And then also at the same time, right, all right, you know, so Caesar averages like 6K a day. All right, listen up. Caesar might average 6K a day. But your boy here is going to step his game up. Yup. I'm gonna match him. You make 6K, I'll make 12. Guys, if I have a 12K day, what are you guys gonna do? What if I have a 12K day Monday? Calling it. I gotta get warmed up. It's Like, you know, you gotta warm up before like a wrestling practice or like a football practice, or before you do like jujitsu or any type of sport, where it's like tennis. You know what I mean? Baseball. You gotta warm it up, right? So guys, make sure to warm up. Make sure to warm up your trades every morning, man. Gotta get in the mindset first, okay? It's like a sport, except less physical, obviously. You sit behind desks instead of like, you know, tackling each other and like, you know, blast doubling each other to the floor. TT life, yeah, buddy. He said, yup. All right, it's like a sport. You gotta warm up, man. Warm up them good old jeans, man. Whew. Guys, I think we might. Oh man, dude, it's so hard to tell right this second, man. I want to say we're gonna go down. I want to say we're gonna get some more puts to follow through, and we're gonna continue to touch new lows here today, and it's gonna be it. That's it. We're gonna go down. That's it on NQ. Boom. Rally to the downside, but we have this little lower shadow underneath 20. We're sitting him in the range of 40 to 20. Spiked all the way down to it. Are we gonna touch the 14, the 9, 10 area, and continue to fall? I'm not quite sure on that. Spot breaks 429. Mike, yeah, I think you said that a little bit earlier too. You said the 429 point B cost is on. Yep. And I agree. I agree that we're gonna fall more. It does have to break this area right here. I can't touch it today, as I feel like I'm being greedy if I touch it any more than I have already, right? I feel as if greed is, you know, consuming. Spot will go to 427. Oh baby, let me check it out with you. Yeah, right around the point. Yup. 420, yup, 427.50 is what I got. Holding it up right around there. Guys, oh my, man. It looks amazing for some puts, guys. If this breaks right here, the 1126 level on NQ overall, okay? You guys see that right there? I see the exact same thing happening with the S&P breaking the 429 level. I see the exact same thing happening with the, NQ breaking the 920 level, okay? Lower highs are coming into play. Guys, lower highs are coming into play here. You see that? So that has to hold up. Woo! So yeah, buddy, that's what we got going, man. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Got a local fair going on. You guys are aware of that. Made you guys aware of it yesterday. They got a ride here that takes you, and I'm just gonna let you guys know how it is right now while we got some time to wait, because I'm waiting for these points to crack, guys. Once they crack, I might enter another trade, one more. All right. I have it already planned out, so I don't feel like it's greedy if I take it, because I already have it planned out. Anyways, they strap you in. You get on, man. You get on. First off, the machine doesn't look like it's been touched in over 30 years, and they set it up in a week somehow on a side of a street. I don't know how it's gonna go, man. Anyways, you get in it, right? No seatbelts, no harnesses. They strap you in, they shut the door, they lock it. Okay, you guys still with me? Cool, word. Not only does it make a full 360, but while it's making a full 360, like the little tube you're in, making a full 360, like it can go either way, full 360, you're getting whipped around. So it's like this. So the pike is like this, moving, right? It's moving like this constantly. And then you're also going like a 360. So you're just sitting there going up and like spinning in a pipe, going like this. And you got paint chips flying in your eyeballs, and you're sitting there and you're praying, hoping this thing doesn't break, and you go flying, you know, into a building about like 30 blocks away. Guys, I feel good about this one.
Order filled.
I'm filled in. I'm gonna see it. I think we go lower here, ladies and gentlemen. But yeah, let me explain that. So, guys, that's where it is, and that's how the machine just works. And you gotta roll with it, because there's no getting out of it once you're in. Right, the screams kind of make them go faster, so you can't scream. Like, if you start screaming, they want to go faster. They want to go more. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that crack, guys. I should have loaded up more contracts. They want to go faster. They want to get more. Right, it's like they feed off of your screams. Yeah, guys. So, quick note. If YB doesn't return come Monday, that's why. Alright. Hopefully that doesn't happen. I'm kidding, obviously. Guys, we are chilling out in this trade right now. I want to see a red candle come in and continue this little downtrend here. You know what? You know, let's see here. If we go green to red, I'll feel more confident. Depending on the overall situation. Yup, green and red here. Starting to come down, guys. I want to see it flash down below the 910 area. As I think I have a rather good fill. That's it. I will get out if it starts to break back above. Basically a break-even trade. I want to see it hold below, though. Like, we got room here on NQ to go. Down, baby. Alright, I'm looking at 900 flat. Yep. Nice big ripper. You guys could have locked up your gains if you wanted it. I got a little bit more wiggle room on the day. So, I got until the trend line, baby. If it wants to spike back down, I might load up on one more to the downside, guys. My trend line is right there, yup.
Order filled.
Into right around break even, guys. Let's see it break again and start to come down here, guys. I'm looking at 15. I'm looking at 10, guys. If it starts to come down to those lows, I'll be a happy camper, okay? So I'm looking at 15 and I'm looking at 10, ladies and gentlemen. I want to see that red coming. It has to go red. That red has to hold up here on ES. On ES as well, but also S&P. Has to hold up there. Has to hold up on the overall market. All right. Will not hold it above that trend line, guys. Will not hold it above the trend line. We'll cut it. Starting to get a little bit higher. I want to see it come down. I need to see it come down here. Look at the overall market, guys. Overall market has wicked every time in this area. Has wicked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times, guys, in this area. I do not want to hold it above this trend line, but I know we have some resistance coming up. I'm still up 600 on the day. I'll take it. I don't care. This is the prop. We have resistance coming up right here. I want a DCA almost. I don't want that to be the bottom, though, and me get filled out, and then me have to sit here and try and get out a loss. Guys.
Order filled.
Nah, dude, I'm not doing it. All right, I'll take 451 on the day, man. I'm not doing this. All right, I'm not playing these games, guys. 1156, but you know, part of me thinks that we can get a reversal in this area. So if I re-enter here, man. There it is. So spiked right down to 10, kind of one of my areas, nothing too crazy. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I think that does it. I want to kind of get maybe one more play in here. Guys, I almost want to take some puts up in this area of resistance.
Order filled.
Why don't I just get filled here? I want to take one more put contract to the downside, seeing if we're going to continue this. If not, I mean, I will cut it, but I want to see this continue, guys. You know, that red just hit once. I think it can hit again, get back down, you know, continue this fall, continue this rip and run to the downside, continue the edge. You know, that's kind of where I'm at. You know, and this is a prop. I'm willing to give up the gains on the prop to try and test my luck here. I know we can reverse somewhere up in these highs. That's what I need. I need a lot more of this. So I need a green to red here, guys. I need a green to red, guys. Need a big red candle to come in, flush this thing down, back down to those lows, maybe back down to low 15s, 09s. I want a red candle to come in and really take it out. It's going to have some resistance, I feel like, near the 30, but we're going to see, guys. Can it happen? Can we get a red candle to come in and help us out here? Starting to break the trend line a little bit to the top side. Want to see it continue here. Continue the downside. Get a nice leg down. Right? Maybe a little top hook to a next leg down, guys. I am chilling. Alright? I want to see 429 break again. We didn't really push. We're only 30 cents above it. NQ's just overreacting in a way. NQ's like the dramatic, like, sister, bro. You know what I mean? It's like the overdramatic sister. It's like, okay, you're doing too much, NQ. That is not that bad. You know what I mean? It's like, okay, NQ's... S&P has spiked 40 cents. It's not that bad. We need a little bit of a wick here, and I want to see it flush back down, guys.
Order filled.
I want to see this thing come down. I'm in 4 to the downside, guys. If we get that one red candle, I know it's coming up, baby. Just punch it in, guys. Right? Just punch it into the downside, ladies and gentlemen. That one red candle, I know we can get it in. All right, we can get that spike down to 30 and then flushing all the way back down to 20 and 10. And you guys are filled up in these highs, so you guys are good to go. All right, I know S&P can also flush back down to 429 and then continue off, okay? So, we don't know all these points. 938, coming back down 37. There we go, guys. There we go, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to see it continue, though. Has to hold these lows. Has to hold these lows, continue the downside, guys. Not a couple pennies. I need it to hold these lows, okay? Same thing with S&P. It needs to hold these lows. S&P coming back down from round 2. That's what you want to see. For that reversal to be confirmed, you want to see that come back down. Look at that on NQ, guys. The overall market there. Ladies and gentlemen, we're waiting and watching, guys. Need to see that red. Pay you traders out, baby. Let's see it. All right. So waiting and watching, guys. Waiting and watching. I know we can get that spike down. That's why I'm in it, ladies and gentlemen. I know we can get that spike right back down off these highs. Come all the way back down to, 920. Come all the way back down to 910. Starting to come down, starting to flush. So waiting here, guys. If we touch the 30 level and break it, we're good to go, baby. S&P needs to touch 29 and break it to the downside. Coming down a little bit more here. Starting to get there a little bit more. I want to see that hold out. Has to hold out, man. Overall market has to hold out, man. Look at that. Look at that immediate red, guys. Hold up, hold up. Let it hold out. Let it play out. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see it break 30. Needs to hold the lows and break 30. Hold the lows, break 30, and come down, baby. Overall NQ is really starting to fade and fall, guys. Overall NQ is coming down. 20 broke 30. Starting to break 30, guys. Starting to flush. Starting to flush, guys. This is what you were looking at here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what you were looking at. I want to see that overall market come back down here. I know it can, right? I want to see it break that old resistance spot right there. I know it can hold. It has to hold underneath 29 like it can. A little bit of a pullback to the next sell-off. That's what I'm expecting here. Right there is that pullback to the next sell-off, guys. Okay? Don't want to be greedy here, but I know that can happen. It can flush right back down into it. Come right back down into it, then there. Get that next candle formation. Come right back down into it, then there. Under 30. When did we go Australian? I don't know, lad. So, a little bit of a mix. Chilling out, though, man. Chilling out. I want to see that red come in now. Come on. Give me a nice green to red candle to the downside. Nice green to red ripper to the downside, baby. Nice green to red to the downside here on S&P below 29. Let's see it break 29 again. Guys, if it breaks 29 again, there we go. Starting to flush below 29. Want to see it hold these lows. Hold below 29, continue to flush. So this is what I'm looking on now. Now we're looking at the hold 29 below and continue to flush, guys. 2880 is the level I'm looking at. All right, guys, 2880. Overall market, overall NQ starting to come down. Overall NQ pushing those lows. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see this next candle. We're going to see red. Red across the board, baby. Red across the board. Punching it in again. Below 29, guys. You want to see it come down and hold these lows, ladies and gentlemen. Hold these lows. Hold that, buddy. Hold her to the downside there, baby. Come on down. Come on down to Pound Town, baby. You want to see that red come back in and flip and hold and push 20, guys. So, trying to get it in for you guys. Trying to make it a good one for you, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Now, I just know we can touch those low 20s, man. I know we can. We're punching in those lows again and again and again. Look at it here on ES. Super close. All right. Didn't get filled on the bid. It's okay. There's that green and red. There's that green and red. Maybe I wasn't supposed to, baby. There's that green and red coming in. Let's see it to the downside, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, let me make one of those crazy trades with you here. Let's see that red come in and punch in 20, guys. Like I was thinking beforehand. Give me that red underneath it. Give me green or red. Green or red. Here, it's going. It's going, guys.
Order filled.
I'm gonna lock it up. Why, YB? Why'd you lock it up? What made you lock it up? It can go, but it's getting risky. I'm not gonna be the guy that's gonna hold it if it breaks this and starts to do exactly what it's doing. I don't want to be in for that. I personally it's a Friday, noon. I just know that the market is gonna start getting that choppy zone. So, I mean, can you complain really? You can't complain, guys. You know? So, we're chilling out on the day. TT Life saying, yeah, probably a good choice, right, guys? TT Life, Mike Trader, Darth Trader. You know, you guys probably all agree. Good choice. Lock up the gains and, you know, walk on it. Don't be crazy with it. Don't force the trade. You guys all probably, you know, hopefully agree. I was long at the bottom because usually when we sweep 3 times, that's a trap short pattern. That is true. 1, 2, 3. Long down here, bro. You printed. Yeah, buddy. That Robert Miles children's song, B. You like that? Chef's kiss. Yeah, buddy. We got bangers, baby. We got banging music, banging trade. And ain't no one banging around here, so, you know, we chilling, baby. But not to cut off the good song, but we're gonna have to throw on a little bit of a hype playlist. Now, Darth Trader recommended this to me earlier. Are you guys ready for this? There we go. The song's over anyways. Oh, hold up. Hold up. Do I hear something? Shout out to Darth Trader for this mix. Actually, hold up. As much as I love this mix, I got one song that's been itching to get out of me. That's been itching. Give you guys a good old Friday song that's been itching to get out of me. I haven't heard it since like Wednesday. You guys know it. We play it here a lot. It's one of our fan favorites around here. Oh yeah, buddy. Ladies and gentlemen. Woo! What a flippin' Friday, bro. We're ending the day up 969 on the prop and ending the day up 378 on the personal, baby. Cannot complain. Mwah. Real quick, J Tran saying, what do you think about swinging meta when it gets your 308 to get back to 300? Just really quick. Meta 308. When it gets back down to 300. Right now, well, it's double topped in the air. If you're going to do it, do not let it go above. J-Chan, don't let it go above this wick right here. Of 8-7. Don't let it go above it. That's my only thing. Just don't let it go above that and you're good. Okay? If you're swinging it right now, not a bad spot, but just don't let it go above 12. If you open up Monday and it goes above it, cut it immediately. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I hope you guys have had an amazing time, baby. Woo! Hopefully you guys are all green, printing, profiting, baby. We're looking to wrap this one up on a banger. Guys, up on both accounts, 15 straight green day in a row. Waiting for a pullback to 308, smart. Don't get your entry down to 305 and risk it, right? So guys, let's wrap it up with a good yeah, buddy. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, I will see you all here Monday morning with Caesar. We're going head-to-head on users. You guys have this weekend to get here from YouTube for Trade Cash or 25% off all memberships for the small account challenge, guys. See you then. Peace.